A very lovely hello to all my class 10th champions, to all boards warriors. So as I promised you all, I'll be coming out with some new live sessions of one shot video. So I have fulfilled my promise. I have come up with one more live session, guys, for you all. Pair of linear equations in two variables and polynomials. Very important chapter. So before I start this fabulous session, just let me know, my dears, all, am I here to you all? Can you all hear me? Am I audible to you, everyone? Hi Rohan, hi everyone. The class has started. Come on. So let them join others to be joined so that we can have a good session. So my dear students, as you are very close to your exam, you are just few days away from your board exam. 17 February is your maths paper. First exam of yours, right? So you all need rapid revision, quick revision, one shot revision, and that is the reason why I have brought up one shot video, one shot lecture on live, my dear, live for you all. So we have already completed 2 chapters in previous, arithmetic progression and quadratic equation, and today in this live, hello sir, old student with new ID. Okay, very good, welcome champ. So duration, see my dear, don't look to duration, look towards power pack class, my dear, quality class. So duration never matters, my dear. So I am going to give you one short video of pair of linear equations in two variables and one more chapter today, polynomials, my dear. So I have brought up PYQs, good quality equation that will genuinely help you out in your board exam. So am I audible to everyone? Everything is fixed, my voice is reaching to you? Just let me know in comment section. Yes sir. Okay, you all are there. Superb. Come on, join fast, quickly, my dear, so that no one could miss the session, any topic, any particular portion. I want everyone, you guys, because you all deserve good result and you all deserve good quality revision, my dear. So that's why I've come up with one short revision of pair of linear equations in two variable and polynomials today. So I'll be explaining you short summary of the chapter, and after giving you the short summary of the chapter, my dear, we will be solving number of questions today. Superb. Rohan, see my dear, yes of course, if you will be consistency, if you will be staying in this live session from beginning to the end, my dear, I'm assuring you, you can score good marks in your exam, because I have brought up all the questions that is very helpful for your board exam. After doing numerous research and all, I came to know like these questions are important. Okay, so I have brought up PYQs also. Sir, statistics one shot please. My dear, I'm giving you complete one shot videos from real numbers to probability, don't worry. So today in this queue, today we are going to cover up 2 chapters, right? Polynomials and pair of linear equations in 2 variables. So don't worry, stay connected with this channel, come on, because I'm dedicatedly working for your board exam. That is your first paper, math standard, my dear. Very good. Hi Ashlesha, hi, welcome everyone. The student who is new, Tanmay is there. Hi Tanmay. Tanmay is there. Tamanna, hi Tamanna. So let's begin this quality session, one short revision of you. So initially in every chapter I'll be giving you short summary, short theoretical portion we will discuss, and after doing the summary of the chapter we'll start doing questions. That will be enough for you, Rohan. Okay, so let's begin the first one shot lecture of pair of linear equation in two variable. So my dear, the student who is still confused, who is having still problem and difficulties in chapter, my dear, this session is going to be very helpful for you all, because see, my teaching methodology, I always follow the basics. I always start any chapter from basics to the advanced, so everything will be cleared, my dear. I'm telling you everyone honestly. Okay, hi Nawab, hello. So if we talk about general form General form of pair of linear equations in two variable. So my dear champions, if we talk about linear equations in two variable simply, so linear equations in two variable is called ax plus by plus c equals to 0. This is the general form of linear equations in two variable. Now you might be thinking, what is called linear equation? So you all know the equation which is having degree 1. If I write an equation here, 2x plus 3y equals to 4. Now, how many variables are there? The variables are x and the variable, one more variable is y. So this is called two variable, and the name of the chapter is linear equations in two variable. Means 2 is y because x and y both are there. And what is the power? Highest power of both. So the highest power of both is 1. And the power is making linear term fulfilled. So because of one power, this is called linear equation, right? And how many variables are there? Two variables. And that is why this is called linear equations in two variables. But still, the chapter name is pair. Means in every equation, there will be two linear equations in two variables. Right, so the first linear equation is ax plus by plus c equals to 0, and the second will also be ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Now you might be thinking, sir, both are similar. So how we can make difference between both? Both are similar. So to make the difference in both, we can call this constant term as 1, a1, b1 and c1, and we can say these constant a2, b2 and c2. We are using two terms for the second equation and one term for the first equation. So a1 is what, my dear? A1 is the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x in first equation. My dear, in first equation. If I ask you, b1 is what, my dear? So b1 is the coefficient of what? Y in first equation. So we are using one term for the first equation, and similarly 2, a2, b2, c2. a2, b2, c2, they are also constant. They are constant values. So what is linear equation? The linear equation is the combination of variable and constant. How many variables? Two variables. And constant are, if I ask you here, if I'm writing one equation 2x minus 3y plus 4 equals to 0. Now, what is the variable? Variable are x here. Variable is y here. So two variables are here. And the power is 1. That's why this is linear equation. Now if I ask you, what is the coefficient of x? So the coefficient of x is 2, and this is called, my dear, a. What is coefficient of y? The coefficient of y is 3. But in general form, always positive sign comes up. So if equation is having negative sign, constant is having negative sign, so always take the value in negative form. Means b is what, my dear? B is minus 3. Don't take b is positive. If negative sign is there, so consider negative sign also. If I ask you c, my dear, so this is c, pure constant is called 4. No variable is there. The last term is called pure constant. This is called, my dear, pure constant, because the 4 is not attached with any other variable. Only two variables are there. So a is the coefficient of x, b is the coefficient of y, and c, the last term, is the pure constant. I hope everything is clear here. Yes, I hope everything is clear here. I hope everything is clear here. Now, my dear, listen. So, if I ask you linear equation, we are talking about linear equation. So, on graph, my dear, on graph, when you will be drawing the graph of linear equation, it always gives a straight line. It always gives a straight line. Why straight line? Always gives straight line. Why a straight line, my dear champions? Why? Because the highest power is 1. Let's say if I ask you 2x plus 3y minus 5 equals to 0. Draw this line on graph. Represent this line on graph. So after taking the solution, you will take the solution x and y. After getting the solution, 2 or 3 solutions, when you represent this equation on graph, what you will get? Only a straight line. So on graph, linear equation always give you straight line. Please, come on. Always give you straight line. Always give you straight line. Now moving to next, nature of solution. Come on. Hi. Yes, Seema. In this chapter, we shall study about the pair of linear equation in two variables. various method. Everything I'll be clear you. Everything I'll be clearing you. Don't worry, Seema. I'm giving you one short video. One short video. Okay. Now nature of solution. Come on, focus here. Nature of solution. What does it mean by nature of solution? Listen, my dear. Okay, so two linear equations are there. A1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. A2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. How many linear equations are here? Two linear equations. And that is why this is called pair of linear equations. Pair of linear equations. So when you will be getting the solution of these two linear equations, means the value of x and y, the value of x and y which satisfy both the equations, the value of x and y which satisfy both the equations, both the linear equation, this is called solution, my dear. This is called solution. So if anyone asks you what is called solution, what does it mean by solution? So the value of x and y which satisfy both the linear equations, that is called solution. So there are so many methods. To find out the nature of solution, how to solve the pair of linear equation. I'll be giving you every information, don't worry. But always focus on basics. Once your basics will be clear, everything will be in your hand. Trust me, my dear. Okay. So what is called solution? What does it mean by solution, my dear? The value of x and y which satisfy both the linear equations. For example, let's say, my dear, I'm taking one linear equation here, 2x minus y plus 2 equals to 0, and other linear equation 3x plus 5y minus 3 equals to 0. They both are linear equations. Now the value of x and y which satisfy both the equations, means if I put x and y here in this equation and here in this equation, and after putting x and y first equation we are getting 0, and after putting this xy in this equation we are getting again 0. So this xy is called solution of the linear equations. So I hope you are getting my point. What is called solution? Solution means the value of x and y which satisfy both the equations. Don't worry, we'll be doing so many questions today here, but you should have the concept also. So this is called linear. Now you must be thinking, sir, how we find the x and y, how we can find out the solution of the linear equation. So there are so many methods: substitution method, elimination method, and cross multiplication method, and one more method is the graphical method. So by using these methods, we can find out the solution of any pair of linear equation in two variables. So we'll be doing everything, don't worry, my dear. Okay, now if I talk about nature of the solution, so nature of the solution means what? When you will be solving the two pair of linear equations, sometime you will be getting exactly one solution, sometime there are three possibilities: exactly one solution, which is also called unique solution. When you will be finding out the solution, there will be this possibilities also: infinitely many solution. This possibility may be there. And third, when you will be finding the solution, no solution will be there. No solution. So there are three possibilities. If I ask you the nature of solution, so how many possibilities are there? Three possibilities. You might get only one solution, only value of x and only value of y. You might get so many values of x and y, means infinitely many solution, and there is chances to have no solution also. So how many? The nature of solution are three nature of solution. Three possibilities are there: exactly one solution, infinitely many solution, and no solution might be there. I hope this is clear to everyone. Okay, now how to solve the pair of linear equations? So to solve the linear equations, my dear, there are few methods. First is substitution method, in which we substitute one equation in other. And second method is, my dear, elimination method, my dear. By using this method we can get the solution. And third method is cross multiplication method, which is not in your syllabus this year. cross multiplication method, right? And this particular topic has excluded this year. This is not in your syllabus. And fourth is by graphical method. By graphical method, my dear. So if I ask you how we can find out the solution of the linear equations, how we can get the solution of the linear equations. So there are three methods: by substitution method, by elimination method, and by graphical method. And let me tell you one thing very clearly, these two are widely used. These two are very important. And in these two, this one is powerful. This one is powerful. I can put here 5 stars. Elimination method is very important, very powerful. So you must give importance to elimination method, right, my dear? So how many methods are there? 4 methods basically. So but in this year's syllabus, in your maths, cross multiplication method has excluded. It is deleted. So you have to focus on 1, 2 and 3. Yes, graphical method is also important. I hope you are getting my point. Are you there, my dear? You all are there? Just let me know, my dear. You all are there. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Just write down in chat section. Yes, sir, we are getting the point. We are getting the point because I'm giving you one short revision. So I'm giving you short summary, theoretical part, and after finishing this theoretical part, we will move to the questions, my dear. Just write in chat section, yes sir, everything is clear. So these are the methods. Now, word problems corner, case study based question. Now my dear, if I ask you in this chapter, so in this chapter there is huge possibilities that you may get word problem questions basically. So word problem question means speed, aeroplane speed and distance question, right? Second, my dear, you might get age concept, age based question, age concept. Third, my dear, 2-digit number concept, 2-digit number questions. Third, my dear, fourth, my dear, fraction based question. Fifth, my dear, cost and rupees. Cost and rupees means when we buy something at the rate of something, that question. So in this particular chapter, my dear, there is huge possibilities that you may get question from this word problem: aeroplane question, age concept, 2-digit number and fraction. Don't worry, I'll be giving you one more live session especially for word problem, and please mark this date, my dear, 13th February. On 13th February, I will be coming out with one very special live session that is specially for word problem questions. How to solve word problem, what should be the approach, how you guys solve the word problem question. So on 13th February at 5 p.m. I'll be coming out with word problem questions, short tricks, how you can make your answer sheet presentable, how you guys can solve the word problem question. So 13th February, don't forget, my dear, to come in my live session. Word problem question will be there, don't worry. Okay, and one more thing is very important, case study based question you might get from this chapter, pair of linear equations in 2 variables. So okay, moving to next part, questions, my dear. But let me tell you one very important thing here. This at here, my dear, very important thing. So if we talk about nature of solution, yes sir, thank you sir, very good, thank you so much everyone. So my dear, if I talk about nature of solution, so there are 3 nature of solutions. Come on, how many nature of solutions, my dear? 3 nature of solutions of pair of linear equations. First nature of solution is the solution might be exactly one solution, and this is also called unique solution. This is also called, my dear, unique solution, right? And second is infinitely many solution, means infinite value of x and y which satisfy both the equations, infinitely many solution, right? And third is there will be no solution. Yes, there will be some linear equations such type will appear in front of you, like no solutions will be there. So there are 3 chances, my dear. There are 3 chances. Okay, so exactly one solution, infinitely many solution, and no solution. Now you might be thinking, sir, how we will find this result is that whether the given linear equations are having infinitely many solutions, exactly one solution, no solution. How? Do we need to find out the solution by solving elimination and substitution method, using that method? No. Without solving, you can get the result. Yes, my dear, without solving, just by comparison, by only doing comparison of the coefficients, by only doing the comparison of coefficient, you guys can get the result whether the linear equations are having unique solution, many solution, or no solution. You don't require to solve the linear equations. Come on, you don't require to solve the linear equation. By just doing the comparison. Now you might be thinking, sir, what kind of comparison you are talking about? Let me tell you, my dear. So let's say imagine I'm having two linear equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. This is the first linear equation in two variable, and the second is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. So two pair of linear equations are here. Now what you have to do? Come on, do this. If a1 by a2, the ratio of a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. If this result comes up, means the ratio of a1 by a2 means the coefficient ratio of x is not equal to the coefficient ratio of y. So if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, you guys can say how many solutions will be there? Come on, unique solution will be there. Unique solution means exactly one solution. You don't require to solve the linear equation in explained form. Right? If you compare the coefficient and this result fulfills, if this result comes up in front of you, you guys can say unique solution will be there. Are you getting my point? And if you draw the graph of such linear equation, there will be intersecting line. They will be intersecting. And this is common sense also, na? If one straight line is intersecting with other straight line, so there will be only one solution, my dear, at one point. This point is satisfying this equation number 1, and this point is satisfying this equation also. So how many solutions will be there? Exactly one solution. And if exactly one solution is there, it indicates that the line will be intersecting. The line will be intersecting. Come on, write down in chat section. Yes, sir, everything is clear. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, it implies that unique solution will be there. And unique solution means what? Unique solution means what? Intersecting line will be there. I hope everything is clear. Now, the second, if you compare the coefficient a1 by a2 is equal to b1, if you compare the coefficient and this result is coming in front of you, you got this result, means the ratio of a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. If all three ratios are equal to each other, then it implies that how many solution will be there? Infinitely many solution will be there. Come on, my dear, infinitely many solution will be there. And what does it mean by infinitely many solution? If I ask you infinitely many solution means this, my dear. This was the first line, and the second line is also overlapping the same line. Yellow color is first line and second is red line, the second linear equation. Both are coinciding, and if both are coinciding, the x and y here at this point will be satisfying both, x and y here will be satisfying both, x and y here will be satisfying both, x and y will be satisfying both, x and y here will be satisfying both. How many solutions will be there? Infinitely many solution. Infinite x will be there, infinite y will be there, and this is coinciding. So if this situation comes up, my dear, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and also equal to c1 by c2, it means that this is called coinciding, my dear. Coinciding line. Coinciding line. We can say coinciding line. Coincide. This is not coincide. Is it clear, my dear? Coinciding line. Now, third is if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, right, my dear, but not equal to c1 by c2. Means the ratio of a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but not equal to c1 by c2. Let's assume this is 1 by 3. It came 1 by 3. it came 1 by 3, but it came 2 by 5. 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 5. So it implies that one line be this and other line be exactly parallel. And if two lines are parallel, if I take one point on line 1, so will this point be satisfying this? No. And if we take 1 point here, so will this point will be satisfying 1? No. If we take 1 point here on one line, first line, will this point will be satisfying 2? No. So there is no common solution. There is no any point which is satisfying both the equation. No. So this is called parallel, my dear. So no solution will be there. No solution will be there. And on graph, parallel line will be there. Parallel line will be there. If no solution is there, it means parallel line will be there. So how many possibilities are there? 3 possibilities. The pair of linear equation might have unique solution. The pair of linear equation might have infinitely many solution, and the pair of linear equation can have no solution also. Hi Abhishek, I'm Abhishek. I have a deep faith in you. Hira, Abhishek, my champion, stay positive, believe in yourself. Every question will be your from book. If you have opted standard book, so why you are worried, my dear? I'm teaching you. Every question will be from NCERT standard. Don't worry. You can conquer it. Don't worry. Stay blessed. Come on, my dear. Don't break. This stage is very crucial. If you guys demotivates in this stage, everything will be ruined. Come on. Okay. Don't worry. Okay. I hope everything is clear. So if I talk about nature of solutions, so how many natures is there? How many possibilities are there? 3 possibilities are there. You can see here. You can see here. I hope everything is clear. So to find out the nature of solution, you don't require to solve the linear equations by using substitution method, elimination method. No, you just need to compare the coefficients. And once you compare the coefficient, and if this condition comes up, so unique solution. If this condition comes up, infinitely many solution. And if this condition fulfills, no solution will be there. Okay. I hope everything is clear. See, my dear, listen, so many comments are there. See, if any student is having still any problem in doing self-study, in doing questions, I know it happens with the student in this stage. My dear, stay confident, consistent, and please come in my live sessions. I'm not requesting you this to get the views and comments and nothing, my dear. Trust me, my dear. The question that I'm going to discuss here will genuinely help, because see, I'm not picking up these questions, whatever I'm going to do here, these questions randomly. No. After doing research, after having some conclusion, I brought up these questions. Whatever the question I comes up, usually always in live session, my dear. So if you are practicing along with me in live session, trust me, you guys can score good marks. But you have to be serious, honest from within. Then only you guys can score good marks. Okay. So moving to question number 1. So this is very important, my dear. In this chapter, let me tell you, this is very important in pair of linear equation in 2 variables. This, the red color boundary, very important. Most of the questions of pair of linear equation in 2 variable will be from this red box. Yes, my dear. So there is nothing challenging in this chapter. Moving to question number 1. Question number 1. Come on. Question number 1. I hope everything is clear. Solo, hi. Hello, sir. New student, Sir William. Hi, everyone. The student who is new here, welcome, everyone. I hope your doubt is clear, Mudit. Mudit, your doubt is clear, I hope. Okay. Don't talk with each other. You guys are talking with each other. Come on, yaar. Only 10 days are left. Your exam is just halfway there, just few days away, and you guys are talking with each other. Come on, focus on exam. This is maths. Come on, Maya, maths. There is no any shortcut in maths. Is it clear? To perform in maths, Your mindset also matters a lot. Your mindset. Yep, sir. Mudit, thank you. Your mindset also matters a lot. Your consistency, your concentration, your mindset a lot. Trust me. Okay. Okay, looking to the first question. Okay, just let's do first question, my dear. So please remember 13 February, if you want to solve word problem question, but to solve such standard question on 13 February in live session, you should have clarity of basics also. So please focus in today's live session, then only you guys can perform in that live session, that all those questions that we are going to discuss on 13 February or board exam as well. Okay, so let's do. If 12x plus 13y is equals to 29 and 13x plus 12y equals to 21, then what will be the value of x plus y? Solo is writing option number A. Shivani. Hi Shivani. Yes, of course, you all are my dear champions. Thank you. Mudit is saying, sir, first add, then something. Okay. Yes, which option will be correct? I want answer of this question from you all. You all. Okay, see my dear. This question looks very scary, very tough, because big numbers, 29, 21, the numbers are also very danger. So it looks very scary. But let me tell you, this question, we can solve this question, trust me, just in 1 minute. Or we can also solve in 30 seconds also. Yes, my dear, trust me, in 30 seconds. Yes, my dear. Someone is writing x plus y. Okay. C is there. Okay. C is there. So board is going to ask you such questions. The student who knows the concept, he or she can get result in just 20 seconds. The student who knows the concept. But the student who is not aware about the concept which is going to be used in this question cannot solve this question. Easy peasy. Jerisim, sir, we should give importance to exemplar or PYQs. Yeah, if you are doing self-study, yeah, you should give importance to examiner, exemplar, NCERT exemplar, and PYQ is very important. But don't switch frequently different books here, there, different website, different YouTube channel. Come on, don't do this, because in this crucial phase, if you get confused, my dear, no one is going to resolve your confusion at all. So don't switch here and there, different website, different resources, different books frequently. Don't do this, my dear. Stick with NCERT and solve, try to find out, go through the past 10 years question paper if possible, my dear, if you have so much of time. Okay. Okay, so let me give you the solution of this question. Okay, so the question is 12x plus 13y plus 29 and 13x plus 12. Listen, my dear, let me write the equation again. This is 12x plus 13y, which is equal to 29, and the second equation is 13x plus 12y equals to 21. If we add both the equations, 12x plus 13x will become 25x, and this will be 25y, and this will be 50. Can we take 25 common? Wow! By taking 25 common, x plus y equals to 50, 25 will go there, and 25 will divide 52 times. Wow! X plus y equals to 2. Answer is option number C. Some student were saying here, sir, first add and then subtract. What you guys are doing? See, if you look 12 plus 13 will give you 25. If here is 13 plus 12 will give you 25. And if you look to the right hand side, 20 plus 20, 29 plus 21 will give you 50. Simple, by adding, because the question is asking find x plus y. So by just only adding, we can get the result, my dear. No minus is required. Mudit was right? Okay. Okay, superb. I hope everything is clear. So in this question, minus is not required. By just doing addition, you can get the result. I hope this is clear to you all. Please write the solution and practice the questions along with me. And I hope you guys are sitting with your notebook and pen with you. Okay. Superb. Okay. God is right. Where is God? God is everywhere. Hi everyone. Is it clear? Okay, moving to the next question, question number 2. Listen, I know so many students might have still confusion in age concept question, age based questions. I know, and there is huge chances to get age based question in your board exam on 17th February. Age based. I don't know why CBSE is asking frequently questions of age based, age type question. So let me give you a very short trick how you guys can find out the solution. Okay. Okay, listen. The question number 2 is, a father is 3 times as old as his son. Let me tell you one thing. Whenever age type question comes in front of you, first find out how many persons are there. Please mark this trick. You can write this in your mind. What you have to do? Find out how many persons are there. So if we look at this question, in this question 2 persons are there, father and son. How many persons? Father and son. So what you have to do? Don't read the question in starting. Come on, if 2 persons are there, then let their percentage first. Then we can read the question later on. If 2 persons are there, let the percentage. For example, my dear, if you ask me like, sir, what will be your age after 2 years? What will be your age after 2 years? And if I give you the information of my present age, what exactly how many years old I am presently, you guys can get the result. What was my age before 2 years? What will be my age after 3 years? So if we have present age of any person, we can get the previous past years age, and in future what will be, how many old he or she will be, my dear. So present age is very important. So if father, we can say here 2 persons are here, father and son. So what you have to do? Let their present age. So let father's present age be what? X years. Come on. Unit is also important. X years. And let son's present age be Y years, because without letting the present age you cannot write the equation. If you don't know the present age, how you guys can write the equation? This is not possible. So always let the present age. Come on, keep it in mind. Always let the present age. Now let's study. Let's read the question. Okay. A father is 3 times as old as his son. Means the age of father. Means we are talking about present age, because age is here. Is means we are talking about present age. So father's present age is 3 times as old as his son. So father present is X. So X is equal to what? 3 times. So Y present is 3. X equals to 3Y. This is your first equation. Now read the second equation. In 12 years time, means after 12 years. In 12 years times, he means father will be twice as old as his son. So we are talking about after 12 years. So my dear, both are human beings. So after 12 years, both will be 12 years older, because both are human beings. So my dear, after 12 years, the father age will be X plus 12. Right, my dear, and the son will also be Y plus 12. But after 12 years, the father age will be twice as old as his son. Means you have to put here 2, my dear, twice. So this is your second equation, my dear. So you have first equation, you have second equation. Can't you solve? Yes, my dear, you all can solve this question. So can we put the values? We can use substitution method here, because X is equals to 3Y. So putting equation 1 in second, my dear. Putting equation 1 in second. So X will be replaced by 3Y. X will be replaced by 3Y. So 3Y plus 12 is equal to, can we open the bracket? 2Y plus 24. 2Y will go there and 12 will go there. So 2y minus 5 will be y, and 24 minus 12 will be 12. So this is y. It means son's present age is 12 years. So what will be x, my dear? X is 3y, means 3 into 12. So this will be 36. Right, my dear? Now, after getting the result, because this is your final preparation, final phase is there. So, listen, my dear, let me tell you some more tips and tricks. By using that, you guys can make your answer sheet very presentable. So, if you got x and y, but what was x? X was the present age of father, and y was the present age of son. So, make sure to write this information in words, my dear. So, present age of father is what, my dear? This is 36 years. 36. Don't leave your answer only till here. Don't leave your answer till here. Always make sure to write the final answer in words. These are the tips and tricks. By looking at these statements, the examiner feels very happy. He or she will be satisfied from your answer, and he or she will give you the marks generously, my dear. So always make sure to write the final answer in statement, or you can also underline this. Right? Okay. Next, present age of son is what, my dear? This is 12 years. So always make sure to write the final answer at the end. I hope this is clear to you all. Yes, Solo. I hope this is clear to you all. So in age type question, what you have understood here? What you understood? What is the main important point? So in age type questions, always let the present age first. If you are not letting the present age, until and unless you cannot write the equation. So first, let the present age. I hope this is clear to you all. Write down in chat section. Yes, sir, clear. Yes, who is there? Sad is there. I hope everything is clear, everyone. Okay. Please, guys, focus on questions. Focus on question. Moving to next question, question number 3. Wow, this one is interesting. Hard question. This is HOTS, higher order thinking skill. Most expected question, because you guys are focusing on CBQ. So this question is CBQ category. This is very easy, but this is CBQ categories. Very good, very good. Very good. Okay, look at the question. Now solve this question, everyone. See, this question is very easy, but the important thing is language. Language is a bit confusing. So if you understand the language, everything will be in your hand. Come on. The language, everything is language, my dear. So, see, my dear. So this is also age-based question, age type question. So what you have to do? The present age. But in this question, the condition is different from the previous one. Here, in this question, the present age of the wife and Ajay are in the ratio. So the present age is already given, ratio form. Present age is already given in ratio form. So you don't need to take x and y here, because the present age, the information of present age is already there. So my dear, 16 years ago, at the time of marriage, Ajay was 5 years elder to his wife. Okay, the present age of the wife and Ajay are in the ratio 8:9. My dear champions, if the present age is given in the ratio form, so we can take a constant with that, 8x and 9x, we can call 8x and 9x. So what will be the present age? Come on. Present age of what? Ajay. Present age of the wife and the Ajay, means 8 will be for wife, because wife word is first, and 9 will be for Ajay. Come on, you have to focus on that also, respectively is there. So the present age of wife, we can write 8x. Is it clear? And the present age of Ajay, we can let this, because ratio here, so for ratio we can take 9x. I hope this is clear to everyone. Hello sir, hi. Dibya, hi, welcome. Okay, I hope this is clear to you all. So present age of wife will be 8x and the present age of Ajay will be 9x. Why we are taking same variable? Because both present age are in the ratio 8:9. So for when two numbers comes in ratio and we want to write the ratio in the form of number, so always take the same variable. Don't take 8x and 9y. No, the ratio is simple, single ratio is there. So 8x and 9x. Come on. Now, so this is the present age. Now read the question carefully. So 16 years ago. Okay, let's do the operation of 16 years ago. So 16 years ago, at the time of marriage, Ajay was. So Ajay present age is 9x. So 16 years ago, Ajay was 9x minus 16. Why? Because 9x is the present age. So 16 years ago, 9x minus 16, and 16 years ago, what will be this present the age of wife at that time, at the time of marriage? So if present age is 8x, so 16 years ago, 8x minus 16. Come on, my dear, 8x minus 16, because we are talking about 16 years ago. So for 16 years ago, wife is also human being. Okay, so 8x minus 16. But 16 years ago, at the time of marriage, Ajay was 5 years elder to his wife. 5 years, not 5 times. Not 5 times, 5 years elder. Come on, 5 years elder. So this 5 will be added. This 5 will be added. This is very confusing. 5 years elder means 5 years more. Not 5 times is there. If 5 times would be there, it means we have to multiply 5. But if 5 years or elder term is there, means 5 will be added. If I give you one information that I am 6 years elder than my brother, 6 years elder than my brother, means I am 6 years more from my brother's age. This is all about. Now we can solve the equation. So 8x will go there, this 8x will go there, so and this minus 16, this will cancel here, and 8x will go there, so this is x, so x is equal to here, this x is equal to 5, my dear. I hope everything is clear. And once you get x equals to 5, the present age of wife, what will be the present age of wife? This is 8x, my dear. So 8 into, we got here x equals to 5, so this will be, my dear, 40 years. 40 years. Now if I ask you present age of Ajay, come on, my dear. So present age of Ajay is 9x. So 9x, and we have x. 9 into x is what, my dear? 5. So answer will be 45 years. See, this question was easy, but conceptual question. I hope everything is clear. Aslesha is writing 24. See, my dear, find, okay, but we have to find their ages at the time of their marriage. Very good, Aslesha. We have to focus on question also. This is the present age, my dear. This is the present age. So what will be the age at the time of marriage? When they got married? They married 16 years ago. This is the quality of this question. So their ages 16 years ago. 16 years ago will be what? Can we find out? Okay, so wife, we can say for wife will be this 40 years. She is presently 40 minus 16, and if we subtract 16, so I think we are getting here 24 years. So wife was 24 years old. And if we talk about Ajay, so at the time of marriage, if his present age is 45, so 45 minus 16, this will be 9 will go there, 9, 16, and 2, and this is 3 minus 1 is 2, 29 years. So Ajay was 29 years old. Yes, I hope everything is clear. Yes, Aslesha, you are right here. Hi everyone, the student who is new here. Yes, Rohan, hi, 29. So listen, my dear, I know some student might be confused what we are finding here. So see, my dear, look, the last line. What is last line? The last line is find their ages at the time of their marriage. And when they got married 16 years ago. So after finding the percentage, we have to subtract the 16 from that, because question is asking find their ages at the time of the marriage. I hope you have understood it. Write down in comment section. Write down in comment section, yes sir, everything is clear. Please show me your involvement. Send me some hearts. I'm having still so many quality questions ahead. Send me heart. Everyone. Hi Ritik. Stay blessed Ritik. Thank you so much Ritik. Stay blessed. Very good. I hope everything is clear. Hi Solo. William, hi. Send me some hearts, thumbs up. Okay. Easy peasy. Aslesha, clear sir. Very good Aslesha. Stay blessed. My all dear champions. Clear sir. Sheikh, yes sir, all clear. Hi Ritik. Thank you Ritik. Love you Captain. Thank you Solo. It's lovely yaar. Hearing Captain word is lovely. I don't know why it's touching. It's so touching, my dear. Thank you so much for giving me this word, Captain. I never deserve this word, Captain, because Captain, all are Captain in Indian Army and all, they are martyring every day for saving us from enemy and all. So we generally use Captain word for all of them. So this is a big word for me all. Thank you so much for giving me the term Captain, my dear. Tribute to all my martyrs, all brave martyrs. Thank you. Abhinav, hi, Abhinav. Thank you, Rohan, for sending me hearts. Wills, thank you, Wills. Thank you so much, my all dear champions. Yeah, Bino, I got your high. I got your high. Superb, superb. Very good. Now moving to the next question, question number 4. Look at the question, my dear. Find the values of A and B for which the following system of equations and have infinitely many solutions. Come on, my dear. Infinitely many solutions. You all know for infinitely many solution, what is the condition? Come on. What is the condition for infinitely many solution? You all know A1 by A2 must be equal to B1 by B2 must be equal to C1 by C2. This is the condition for infinitely many solution. If this condition fulfills, and this information is already given to you, that the given linear equations have infinitely many solutions. So it has to be fulfilled at anyhow. This is already given to you all. I hope you all are there. So now find out A1. Where is A1? Come on. A1, the coefficient of x in first equation. So A1 is 1. Many students don't know how to find out A1, B1, C1 yet. I know. Still having problem to finding out A1 and A1, A2. B2 and all. So my dear, A1 is what? Coefficient of x of first equation. So A1 is 1 because the coefficient of x is nothing means 1. What is B1, my dear? B1, coefficient of y in first equation, which is 2. What is C1, my dear? If C is already at the right hand side and C of second equation is also right hand side, so we don't require to change the sign, because in both C, both positions are same, so we don't need to change the sign, my dear. If one C will be here and other is this side, so we have to make similar. So in that case, the sign will be changed of any one. So C1 is 1. If I ask you A2, so what is A2? Coefficient of x in second equation, which is A minus B. What is B2, my dear? B2 is A plus B. What is C2, my dear? C2 is this whole A plus B minus 2. So you have A1, B1, C1, you have A2, B2, C2, and for infinitely many solution, this condition should be fulfilled. Now put the values. So A1 is 1 by A2 is what? A minus B equals to B1 is what? 2. Where is B2? B2 is A plus B equals to C1. Where is C1? C1 is 1 divided by this is 1 divided by this is C2, A plus B minus 2. So this is very easy question. Come on, take these two. First take these two. If we compare these two, my dear, cross multiply. So A plus B, this A plus B, 2A minus 2B, 2A minus 2B will be equal to A plus B into 1 will be A plus B. Right? This is all about a will go there and 2b will come here. So a will be there, 2a minus a, and minus 2b will go there. So this is 3b, because minus 2b plus b will be 3b. So a is equals to 3b, my dear. We got a situation. Now we can take any one other, we can take this and this, third, my dear, first and third. If we take first and third, my dear, what we get here? So this is a minus b into 1, a plus b minus 2 into 1. So this will remain same. A plus b minus 2 will be equal to a minus b into 1, a minus b. Right, my dear champions? A will cancel here, a will be cancelled, and this b will go there. So 2b will be there, minus b will go there, positive, and minus 2 will go there, this is positive. So b we are getting here 1, and once you get b, we can put here. So a will be 3a, a is 3b, my dear. So a equals to 3 into 1, which is equal to 3. 3 1 ja 3 is the answer. So a is 3 and b is 1. This is the answer. This is the answer. Very good. I hope everything is clear, everyone. Who is it? Who hell is this? Welcome and all. What you guys are writing so funny here? I hope everything is clear. Abhinav is asking, anybody free? Abhinav, don't be free. Your exam is on 17th February. And Neymar, don't play football. Stop playing football for few days, my dear. Focus on your board exam. 17th February is clear. Near to you all. I hope everything is clear. Just write down in chat section. Yes, sir, clear. Please, my dear champions. Yes. I saw this question, one of the board exam paper. What does it mean by OP, my dear? I don't know OP. Can you please explain? Clear, captains. Clear, sir. Sheikh, thank you. Very good, Solo. You are not free. And don't be free, my dear. Don't stay free. Clear, sir. Thank you, Wills. Thank you, Tasbil. Very good. Okay, now moving to next question, question number 7. Look at the question, my dear. Question number 7. This one is quality question. Let me tell you, this one is PYQ. I forgot to mention here the year, but this is PYQ, my dear. And one very important thing, this question is graphical based question, and so many students are having problem in drawing the graph and getting the result solution by graphical method. So my dear, please stop chatting and focus on board. Just please focus on this question particularly, because as per my experience this year there is a bit possibility that you may get question based on graphical method, my dear. So you have to. All is well, captain. Thank you so much. Okay, Solo, thank you. You guys are awesome. Okay, superb. Okay, thank you. All is well. Jersey is writing x is 1 and y is 1. Okay, find the solution of the equation from the graph. Let's see. What is the equation? 2x minus. Let's see, my dear. Just wait for a while. I want to see the response from so many students. So many students are watching the live session. So come on, give me answer. No, sir. Image A mistake. What you are writing? Who is there? Overpowered. Thank you, Tasbil. You all are awesome. Superb, my all champions. Okay, let's do. So my dear, as per my request, my dear, this is my humble request to you. Stop chatting and focus on the solution of this question. Just, okay, focus here. So the question is, okay, draw the graph of the following equations. Two equations are there, 2x minus y equals to 1, and one more equation is x plus 2y equals to 13. Right, draw the graphs. So first, the instruction is to draw the graph. So we have to draw the graph at anyhow. And after drawing the graph, from the graph, we have to give answer of these two questions from the graph. So the first work is what? The first work is to draw the graph. And you all know, to draw the graph, we must have solution. Without solution, we cannot draw the graph. Visualize emphasis. Okay. So to draw the graph, we should have the solutions. So what we need to do here, we have to find this one. Guys, come on, do friendship with me now. Why you guys are doing friendship with each other? Do friendship with me, your maths teacher, your Sonu Sir. And this friendship will be productive and beneficial for you all. Yes, do friendship with me. No solution? Is it? No solution? Rohan? No. Let's do, don't worry. Let's do, my dear. Okay, let's do. So the question is, draw the graph of the solution. My dear, listen, to draw the graph, see, whenever you are doing this question, always make sure to use the graph paper. Because if you are not using the graph paper, there will be huge possibility that you might made mistake over there. So graph is very important for you, because the point of intersection will give you the solution. And to get the exact point of contact, point of intersection, there must be proper line, proper scale and everything. So to do this question, you must use graph paper only. Yeah, unique solution. Very good. So let's do. So the question is this. So my dear, what we have to do to draw the graph, we have to solve the solution. We get the solution first. Without getting the solutions, we cannot draw any linear equation on graph. So let's operate first equation. So 2x minus y equals to 1. So can we find out the solution? Right. So to find out the solution, we can let the values, any value. We can put any value of x or any value of y. So this is x and this is y. So we want, yes. Pradyumna, hi Pradyumna. Yeah, see, we are doing here one short revision of pair of linear equations in two variable and polynomials. Now you can think for how long the class will be. Okay, so can we find out the solutions of what we can do here? First put x equals to 0, my dear. X equals to 0. So if we put x equals to 0, x equals to 0 here, my dear, x equals to 0. So 2 into 0, 2 into 0 minus y equals to y. So this will become 0. So minus y equals to 1. So y means y is equal to minus 1. So the first is this. Now can we put x equals to 2? See, my dear, you can put any value as per your wish. You can put any value. But make sure whenever you are putting the value, make sure the value will make your calculation easier. So if we put x equals to 2, x equals to 2, 2 to the 4 will be there. Listen, my dear, 2 into 2 minus y equals to 1, 2 to the 4, 4 minus y equals, so y will go there and 1 will come here. So 4 minus y, y will be equal to 3. So when we are putting this 2, we are getting 3. I hope this is clear to everyone. I hope this is clear to everyone. Who is there? Sakshi. Guys, please focus on solution, my dear. Please focus on solution here. Important question. This is very important question. Please. You guys are talking with each other. Come on. Now we can put here x equals to 3. So on putting x equals to 3, what we are getting? Okay, can you please explain here? So 2x, 2 into 3 minus y equals to 1. So 2 to the 3 to the 6, 1 will come here. So y will be I think 5, right? So at x equals to 3, y will be 5. So this is the solution of first. Now find out the solution of this second equation. This is x plus 2y equals to 13. Now again same condition, take a box, take 3 columns and take your x and y. I hope you are getting my point. I hope you guys are getting. Sir, please repeat it, please. Sir, hello. You are not focusing. Can I put 4? Yes, of course, you can put any value. 0, you joined just few seconds ago, my dear. So you have to focus here. Just focus, your doubt will be clear. Come on. This is very easy, yaar. Very easy. We are just putting the values here. We are just putting the values here. And to put the value, You can put any value. If 10,000 students are doing this question, these solution might be different. Yes, it depends on student mindset, what you guys are putting. So it doesn't mean, it is not mandatory that the value will be same of every student. No. So I'm putting here 7. Now you might be thinking, sir, why you are putting x7? So the result will be in front of you, just wait. If I put here x equals to 7, so on putting x equals to 7 here, 7 will go there, and 13 minus 7 will be 6, my dear, and 6 can be divided by 2. This is my approach. Put any number that will make your calculation easier. This is the theme, this is the approach. So let me draw a line here. So this is okay. So if I put x equals to 7, y will be 7 plus 2y equals to 13. The y 7 will go there, 6 will be there, so 2y by 6, so y will be equal to 3. So this is 3, my dear. Now put x equals to 13. If we put x equals to 13, why I am putting x equals to 13? If I put x equals to 13, my dear, this 13 will be cancelled. So 0 will be there, and 2y equals to 0 will be, y will be equal to 0. So at x equals to 13, y will be 0. Now we can put here 3. You might be thinking, sir, why you are putting x equals to 3? Because 3 will go there, and 13 minus 3 will be 10. 10 is an even number. Even number can be divided by 2. This is my approach. So if I put x equals to 3, my dear, here, so y will be equal to, I am writing directly, x 3 will go there, 13 minus 3 will be 10, 2y. So this is 5 here. So I hope the result is in front of you, everyone. Fan sound? Everyone is listening, but why you are not able to listen me? Come on, my dear. Sound is there. Who is this? Who is this? Good evening. Hi, Shreya. Good evening. I am from Barabanki. Very good. So if you guys are going to appear in your board exam this year on 17th February, hello sir, hi. So you are at right place, because I have picked up here all the question which is relatively important for your board exam. Okay. So I hope this is clear to you all. So the solution of this equation here and the solution of this equation is here. So what we need to do now, we have to draw the graph. And graph should be always drawn on graph paper. If this question comes up in your board exam, like a bit relatable to this question, okay, so whenever you are doing this question, always draw the graph on graph paper only. Only on graph paper. Let me tell you, only on graph paper. Okay. So who is this? Lucknow. Anmol. Okay. So now draw the graph. So let me draw the graph. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. X-axis and y-axis. This is x-axis, my dear champions, and this is y-axis, my dear champions. Right. Now look, the scale will be 0 to, if we draw the graph of first line, let me use white color for the first line. 0, the first coordinate is 0, minus 1. Where will be 0, minus 1? 0, minus 1. So let me take here, this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, neat and clean. Graph should be very neat and clean. 1, 2, 3 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here negative, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Same we can continue. 1, 2, 3, 4 and similarly minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on, minus 4 and so on. The numbers are continued. Now look at the first one. This is 0, minus 1, means x coordinate is 0 and y is minus 1. So where will be the coordinate? X is 0 and y is minus 1. X is 0 and y is minus 1. This coordinate will be here. This is the coordinate. Blue color. Right. Now if we talk about 2, 3, when x is 2, y is 3. Come on. When x is 2, y is 3. I think here. This will be the coordinate. When x is 2, y equals to 3. Is it clear? Now if we talk about 3, 5. X is 3, y is 5. So x is 3 and y is 5. Something. If we increase this line in this way, here this way. We may require some more values, so this way and this way. So my dear champions, if we look here, the third is 3 comma 5. So x is 3 and y is 5. Something something something, x is 3 and y is 5 here. This. Now can you join these points? And to join this point we must require scale. So always make sure whenever you're doing the question, graph paper and scale should be with you, and pencil only. Don't draw the line with pen, always use pencil. So this will be the line. Let me draw. I don't have any scale, so let me try. Yes, my dear. Yes, I have drawn straight line. So this is the straight line. Now make sure to write the equation. This is of 2x minus y equals to 1. Now come to this, draw the line of this. So let me use another color. So I'm using here red color, my dear champions. So when x is 7, y is 3. Come on, when x is 7, y is 3. So where will be the point? When x is 7, y is 3. X is 7 means something here. If x is 7, my dear, x is 7, 5, 6 and 7. So when x is 7, y is 3. So both coordinates will be in first quadrant. Positive, positive, because this is positive, this is positive. So x is 7 and y is 3, something here. This will be the point. X is 7, y is 3. Now if I ask you about the point 13 comma 0, come on, 13 comma 0, x is 13, y is 0. So as you know, unfortunately this graph is at the end of this smart board, so it is a bit challenging to draw the graph here. 13 will go there. So you can imagine, my dear, 13 comma 5. So 13 comma 13 comma 0. So 13 comma 0 will lie here. Let's assume here, something here, out of the park. Don't worry, we can draw this line. X is 3 and y is 5. Where is x is 3? Come on, x is 3 and y is 5. Oh my God! Look, my dear, this is common in both. X is 3 and y is 5 here. Wow, can you join the lines? Yes, my dear, go completely. Here, something this way. So this is the straight line, my dear. This is the straight line. The coordinate of this is 2 comma 3 comma 5. 3 comma 5, my dear. And this is the equation, x plus 2y equals to 13, my dear champions. So the first question, find the solution of the equation from the graph. So the point of intersection where both the straight lines are intersecting, this is the solution. This is the solution, because this point is satisfying both the equation. That point is on blue line also, on red line also. So solution will be, this is which coordinate, 3, and this coordinate here something, this is 5, my dear. So the solution is 3 comma 5, my dear. And then shade the triangular region formed by the lines and the y-axis. Come on, and the y-axis, shade the line. So let me use the green color here. So this is the line, this line and this line, and shade the triangular region, and y-axis, this is the y-axis. So shade here. This region will be shaded, my dear. This is the solution of this question. I hope everything is clear, my dear champions. Please write down in chat section, yes sir, everything is clear. So to draw the graph of any pair of linear equation in two variable, we must have the solution first. So to draw the graph, what we did here, my dear, first we got the solution first, and after getting the solution, we marked every coordinate on the graph, and we have joined this. This is the solution. Hi, clear sir, Aslesha, very good. See, my dear, I am not in such a hurry. I am giving you explanation in very slow manner. I can't solve this question quickly, but that will be out of the radar, my dear. So there is no sense. That's why I am explaining you everything very clearly. Tasbil, Aslesha, thank you. Thank you so much. And the student who is new here, go and hit the subscribe button and kindly share this live link with your friends also, my dear. Go and hit the subscribe button. Come on. Because till 17th February, I'll be coming out with live session. And of course, I've already told you on 13th February, wow. On 13th February at 5 p.m., a very important session is coming. That is a word problem question. So on that day, 13 February, we'll be doing operation of word problem questions. I'll be coming out with each and every kind of word problem there. So I hope you will be there in that live session. That is going to be game changing. Game changing. Very good. Wills, thank you, Wills. Super, sir. Thank you so much. Shahyok, please focus on your study. Maths exam is just few days away. 17 February is so close. Today is 4th. Abhinav, thank you, Abhinav. My dear, who is new here, go and hit the subscribe button. Because unfortunately, if you not hit the subscribe button, you might miss this session. 13 February, 14 February, 16 February and 17 February morning also. I'm going to give you some tips and tricks for your exam, how you guys should approach the maths question paper, what you have to do in first 15 minutes, which section you should solve the question first, what should be the logic and tricks, tips and tricks that you guys should execute in examination hall. So I hope everything is going to be a bang, my dear, trust me. So go and hit the subscribe button. Shahina, hi Shahina, I was waiting for you, everyone. Yes, next question. Moving to next question. So this question is assertion-reason. Assertion-reason question. So look at, my dear, assertion-reason question. The assertion says that the value of q is plus minus 2. If x equals to 3 and y equals to 1 is the solution of this equation. Don't worry. Reason is the solution of the line will satisfy the equation of the line. The solution of the line will, my dear all champion, let me tell you one very, short trick. Whenever assertion-reason question comes up in front of you, always put because in between assertion and reason. Because assertion is based on reason. You can read the statement, this, because this. Read the statement assertion, because this. Come on, read this statement, because, kyunki, because of this. So this reason says that the solution of the line satisfy the equation. My dear, this is called solution. The value of x and y is called solution. And if these are the solution of this line, it means this will be satisfying the equation. Means if you put here these values in this equation, the result must be 0. Come on, let's check. So x equals to 3 and y equals to 1, right? And the equation is 2x plus y minus q square minus 3 equals to 0. So x is 3 and y. So we can put here 2 into 3 plus y is 1 minus q square minus 3 equals to 0. So 3 to just 6 plus 1 minus q square minus 3 equals to 0. Can we shift q square that side? So 6 plus 1 is 7 and 7 minus 3 is 4. And q square has gone to right side. When you remove a square, the 4 will go in under root form. And under root 4 is equal to, wow, under root 4 is equals to plus minus 2. Huh? Yes, this is plus minus 2. And we have applied reason, because reason is saying solution satisfy the equation. So we checked that, and when we checked the reason, the result is accurate. It means both are correct, both are true, and reason is correctly explaining the assertion. So which option will be there? Both assertion and reason are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Magic, it's magic of maths. I hope. Hold your breath and count. I hope everything is clear. Yes, Wills, very good, Wills. Who is and here? Why you guys are repeating and again and again, my dear? Your captain is, you are just breaking the rules. Your captain will become angry. Okay, I hope everything is clear. So, both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correctly explained assertion. Hi, sir. Mika. Oh, Kavya. Hi, Kavya. Sahina. Yes, sir. Done. Very good. Thank you. Okay. Yes, moving to next question, question number 9. If ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, okay, if ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral such that angle A, see my dear, these all are PYQs. Let me tell you, unfortunately I missed to mention here the year. These are PYQs, my dear. Let me tell you this thing. These are PYQs. Okay, so ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. You know cyclic quadrilateral? When any quadrilateral is inside the circle, this is called cyclic quadrilateral. And there is a magical property of cyclic quadrilateral that if ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, means the sum of their opposite sides are always 180 degree. If I am taking here x and this is y, opposite angle, let me tell you opposite angle. So this is supplementary 180 degree. And if we take here apple and here grapes, so apple plus grapes will be equal to 180 degree. This is not my homemade theory. This is geometrical theory, my dear. So the sum of opposite angle of any cyclic quadrilateral is equal to 180 degree. I hope this is clear to you. So please ignore apple and grapes because I'm feeling hungry. That's why I'm remembering apple and grapes. Yes, my dear. Okay. So let's do. So there is a ABCD. Okay. Wow. Look at the circle. I can draw good circle. Yeah. Look at the circle. It's superb, no? So ABCD. A, B, C, D. Okay, ABCD. So ABCD is circle such that angle A is 4y plus 10. Okay. This is 4y plus 20. Angle B is 3y minus 5. So my dear, this is 3y minus 5. Angle C is, my dear, minus 4x. So this is minus 4x. Don't worry. And D is minus 7x plus 5. So this is the condition. Hi, this is the condition, everyone. And I have already told you just few seconds ago the property of quadrilateral, a cyclic quadrilateral, the sum of opposite angle will be equal to 180 degree. So B and D are opposite angles and C and A are the opposite angles. So can we write here? So minus 7x plus 5 plus 3y minus 5 will be equal to 180 degree. The sum of these two, right? The sum of these two will be equal to 180 degree because this is a property of cyclic quadrilateral. I hope you are getting my point. So we can write, can we solve this? So 3y is positive, so we can take at first position minus 7x. This minus 5 plus 5 cancelled here. So this is equal to 180. Keep this as it is. Now come to the second, A plus C. So this is 4y plus 20. This is minus 4x. So when you will be doing addition, plus minus 4x will be equal to 180 degree. You can mention the region here. Sum of opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. You can mention the region, my dear. You can mention the same here. You can mention the region here. Can we solve this? So 4y plus 20 and this plus minus 4x will be there equals to 180. Can we shift this 20 that side? So and we can take 4 common as well. So y plus x, right? And if this 20 will go there, so 180 minus 20 will be 160. So we can write here 160. Then 4 will go there, 4 will divide. So y plus x equals to 40. I hope you are getting my point. This is your second equation. Now look at the first equation and look at the second equation. So in first equation, x family is in negative form, and in second equation, x family is in positive form. So we can use elimination method. But to apply elimination method, the coefficients must be same. So we can multiplying equation 1, multiplying equation 1 by 1 because minus 7x is already there, and equation 2 by 7 because I want to make the coefficient, this coefficient similar. So we have to multiply equation second by 7 because 7x is there. So and subtract and add because both are having different signs, and add. So this is 3y. This will remain as it is, and we are multiplying 7 by 7 and equation second by 7. So this will be 7y, right? plus 7x, and if we multiply this by 7, 7 4 are 28, so 280 will be there. Now can we add both the equations? So on adding, this will cancel here, and 7y plus y will be 10y, and 180 plus 280 will be 0 0 8 8 16 16 carry 1 2 and 1 2 1 3 and 4 will be there. Now 10y, so y will be equal to y will divide 0 0 cancel, so y we are getting here 46 degree. And once you get y, we can find out x. So x will be what? Look at here, x plus y is 40, so we can find out x will be 40 minus y. 40 minus y. So 40 minus, where is y? Y is 46. So x is equal to minus 4 degree. X is minus 4 basically. 40 minus 46 will be minus. Now you have x and you have y. This is not answer. This is not answer. The question is find the 4 angles. Come on. This is just x and y. We have to find out 4 angles. 4 angles. Now come, find out angle A. So angle A is 4y plus 20. So 4y, 4 into y is what, my dear? 46. 46 plus 20. Can we solve this? This is 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. 4 carry 2. 4 4 16 and 16 to 180. This is 4 by 20. Is it clear? I think some 10y plus 10. This is on adding this 7 4 are 28. 3y. Oh, okay. 3y minus 7x equals to 3y minus 7x, minus minus cancel. This is 180 degree. Perfect. This is 4y plus 20 minus 4x equals to 180 degree. So 4y. Oh, this my dear, can you see here? This is 4y and this is minus 4x. But what we have written here, both in positive form. This is the wrong here. So just one silly mistake can ruin your complete solution, my dear. One silly mistake, just you all can witness, my dear. One silly mistake, yes, of course, one silly mistake can lead all the solution. Yeah, your deduction will be there, my dear, just for due to one silly mistake. So what is the silly mistake, my dear? This is 4y and this is minus 4x. 4y minus, but what we have written here, both in positive form. So one silly mistake may lead deduction of marks, my dear. So make sure when you are doing. So what will be the result? Come on, what will be the result? 4y. This is 4y. Let me tell you the result. 4y minus 4x. Now 20 will go there. Oh wow. So 4 by taking 4 common, y minus x equals to 40. Yes, my dear. Now we don't require to multiply any number and doing anything. We don't require. Why? Because the coefficient of this here, you can see it. Now listen, my dear. Now what we have to do? Multiply equation 1 by 1 and multiply equation 7 by equation second by 7. Why? Because x is there. So if we multiply here and subtract, so what will be the result, my dear champions? And subtract. It happens when you're doing mathematics now. It happens. There is chances to have some mistake in there. So make sure. So this is 3y minus 7x equals to what, my dear? 180. And after multiplying 7, this will be 7y and this will be what, my dear? Here this is minus, look, this is 4y minus 4x. So we have taken 4 common, so 4 will go there and 4 are 16 because 20 has subtracted from a 180. So 7y minus 7x is equal to what, my dear? This, after multiplying 40, this is what, 280. Now we don't have to subtract. We have to here subtraction will be there, but on doing subtraction, this minus this minus, so minus will become, and this 280 will become, and this positive will become negative. So it will cancel, and 3y minus 7y will be minus 4y, and 180 minus 280. 180 minus 280. You can subtract now, so minus 100 will be there. And minus minus will cancel. So y we are getting here, y is 25. And if y is 25, what will be x, my dear champions? What will be x? So x will be 40 minus y. One silly mistake has wasted so much of time, my dear. So whenever you are doing question, please make sure not to do any mistake, my dear. So y is 40, y is 25, so x will be what? 40 minus 25. 40 minus 25 is basically equal to 15. So you have this value. Now we can find out any value. You have x and you have y. What is the value, my dear? Just let me know. What is the value? Now find out. You have x and you have y. Now we'll be moving to the next place. See, my dear, in mathematics, yeah, correct. B is what? 70 degree, Ashlesha? B is equal to what? C is equal to what? C is equal to what? C is equal to 60. Yes, correct. Ashlesha is correct here. Yes. Hi, good evening, RJ. Yes, of course. X equals to see, whenever you are doing such lengthy calculation, it is a huge possibility to make some mistakes, my dear. So when you are doing calculation, please be very attentive. Be very attentive. Yes. So we can find out A. So angle A will be what, my dear? 4y plus 20. Right? 4 into, where is y? We have y. Y is 25. 25 plus 20. So this is 120 degree. I hope you are getting the same result. For B, 3y minus 5. By putting the value, you can get the answer. Okay. Moving to next question, question number 10. Now tell me answer of this question. Come on. Give me answer of this question, my dear. Yeah, which option will be correct? Come on. See, in mathematics, your one mistake may wasted your 5 to 10 minutes. So whenever you are doing mathematical calculation, my dear, stay very attentive, very focused, I can say simply, very focused. Yes. Come on, the student who is new here, go and hit the subscribe button and share this WhatsApp. This is live session with your friends, sir. Sir, if we find out the side of in which question you are talking about, I don't know. I don't know your name. VNSSS. I don't know what you are asking for. Okay. 2, 0. Okay. A. Okay. Now do this question. The point of intersection of this line with x-axis. Come on, my dear. With x-axis. So there is a line. Let's say there is a line. This is a line, and the line is 3x. 3x minus 2y equals to 6. And this line is intersected by x-axis. This line is intersected by x-axis. My dear, if this line is intersected by x-axis, so at this point, which coordinate will be 0? Y coordinate will be 0. Yes, because that line is intersected by x-axis. So on x-axis, y is always 0. Now put y here 0. So 3x minus 2 into 0 is equals to 6. So 3x, 2 into 0 will be 0. So x is equal to 2. So the coordinate will be what? 2, 0. Who answered correct? Who answered correct? Yes. Ashlesha, superb. A. Yes, A is correct. Well, C is not correct answer. Why you are writing minus 2? No. We are getting x positive here, bro. Because 6 is at the right side. So positive 2 will be there. Yeah, well, A is correct. Now you have changed the option. Okay, moving to next question, question number 11. The sum of a two-digit number and the number formed by, let me tell you one thing here. Whenever such question comes up in front of you like this, two-digit number, don't read the question. Do first thing, always let the two-digit number, this, it should be your first step. Let the two-digit number, world's all two-digit number having general formula 10x plus y, because all the 2-digit number lie in this format. If I talk about 82, my dear, so in 82 this is y and this is x, my dear. You can verify. If you put this value here, so this will satisfy. 10 into 8 plus y is 2. So 10 into 8 will be 80 plus 2, which is equal to 82, my dear. So in every 2-digit number, this ones digit is y is, my dear, ones digit, right? And this x here, this is 10th digit. I hope you are getting my point. So always let the 2-digit number. Then only you should read the question carefully. First, let the 2-digit number. I hope you are getting my point. Hello, hi Nikhil, hello, Shahina, hello sir, yeah. I hope everything is clear. So whenever 2-digit number question comes up in front of you, this question is from year 2002, PYQ. So what you have to do, what you need to do first? Let the 2-digit number. So in this 2-digit number, y is what, my dear? Come on, y is what? Ones digit. And x is what, my dear? X is 10th digit. I hope you are getting my point. Please make sure. Now read the question. Now you can read the question. Let me delete that portion. That was I was just explaining you all. So I think this is clear to you all. Whilst all 2-digit number from 10 to 99, all the 2-digit numbers lies in this form. You can verify. Now, sir, for CBSE, yes, Nikhil, for CBSE, and these questions are relatable for ICSE also. Don't worry. Yes, sir. Now, listen. Now read the question. The sum of a 2-digit number and the number formed by interchanging its digit. Come on. If I'm writing 87, if I'm writing here 87, my dear, 87, and let's say this is y and this is x, my dear. And if we interchange the digits, means 87 has become 78. It means that now this and this, now x has become here and y has come here. So when we interchange the digits, this format also interchange. This format will become 10y plus x. Come on, are you getting my point? If we have assumed 2-digit number is 10x plus y. So after interchanging the digits, the format will be 10y plus x. Right? So look at the question. The sum of a 2-digit number, very good, 10x plus y, and number formed by interchanging means the format will be 10y plus x. 10x plus y, 10y plus, means its ones digit has become 10th digit and its 10th digit has become ones digit. This is all about, is equal to 110. Can we please modify this? 10x plus x will be 11x. 10y plus y will be 11y equals to 110. Can we take 11 common here? So this is x plus y equals to 110. 11 will cancel here. This 11 1 ja 11. This is 10. So we got one relation between x and y, which is first equation. Don't worry. I'm giving you very magical solution, very magical method to you all. You don't need to be worried about your maths exam. Trust me, trust your sir, your Sonu sir, and trust yourself also. Your responsibility also is there. Now, read the second statement. If 10 is subtracted from the first number, from the front, the new number is 4 more than the 5 times the sum of its digits. Oh my God. Listen, if 10 is subtracted from the first number, means, my dear, look at the statement. This is the first number, 10x plus y. If 10 is subtracted, means minus 10. If 10 is subtracted from the first number, the new number is 4 more than 5 times the sum of its digit. Oh my God. Can you find out the equation? What will be the equation? I want to see from you all. Which equation will be formed? Come on, write down in chat section. I want it from you all. Come on. I want to from you all. How the equation will look like. The second statement is very confusing, but very easy. Just wait a little while. Come on, write down what will be the second statement, my dear. Write down in chat section. I want to see you from you all. Yes. Who is this? Hi, Sahina. Don't talk, my dear. Please focus on questions. Come on, my dear. You guys are talking with each other. Hi, everyone. Write down the second equation. What will be the second equation? This is most important equation. Come on. I want to see from you all, my dear. Thanks. 4 into 5. No, Bhinav. You guys are talking. This is very bad. You guys are talking with each other. Come on. I want second equation from you all. I want to see the name of that student who will give me the second statement. Come on. This is very logical. If 10 is subtracted from the number, the new number is 4 more than 4. The new number is 4 more than 5 times the sum of the digits in the first number. This is the logical thing in this question, my dear. Let's see who can give me the correct equation. I want to see the correct equation. I want to see the name of that student. 4 into 5 plus Wills, is it correct? 10y. Wow, Rohan is there. How? Yeah, Rohan has written correct equation. I think 10x plus y, 4 plus. No, Wills, you are making some mistake, I think. Come on, focus again. 4 into 5. Okay. Read the statement carefully, my dear. Read the statement carefully. Statement is everything. The statement is everything. Anmol. Hi, Ayush. Ayush, please focus on question. Come on. Please focus on question. Very important question we are discussing here. Solo 4 into 5 plus 4. I don't know. Sure. Okay. See, focus here. Come on. Let me give you a very short trick. If 10 is subtracted from the first number, come on, from the first number, the new number means this is the new number because we are subtracting the 10. This new number is 4 more. More means what? More means always add. Come on. If more word is there, always add. Always add. More means always, less means minus, more means add. 4 more than the 5 times means multiplication. 5 times, what 5 times? 5 times the sum of the digits. Come on, my dear, the sum of the digits, x plus y. This is the equation. No one, only Rohan was correct. Rohan was correct. Very good. So this is the equation. Can we solve this? Please focus here. This is statement. If 10 is subtracted from the number 10x plus y, the new number, this is the new number, is 4 more. 4 more means 4 will be added. 4 more to what? To 4 more to what? 5 times the sum of the digits. This is the 5 times the sum of the digits because in this number x and y are the digits. Now solve this. So this is 10x plus y minus 10, 10x plus y minus 10, can we open the bracket? 5x plus 5y plus 4. Now 5 will come here, so 10x minus 5x will be 5x. When this 5y will come here, so y is already there, y minus 5y will be minus 4y. I hope you are getting my point. This y is already there, and when this 5y will come here, so in negative sign, and this minus 10 will go there, so 10 plus 4 will be 14. So 5x minus 4y equals to 14. This is your second equation. You have first equation. So from first equation, from equation number 1, can we find x equals to 10 minus y. X equals to 10 minus y from first equation, and we can put this in equation 2. Put in equation 2 means we are doing substitution method. So 5 into x will be replaced by 10 minus y minus 4y equals to 14. Can you solve this? So 10 5 is 50 minus 5y minus 4y equals to 14. Right, my dear? So 50 will go there, or we can bring this 40 this side. So 50 minus 14, 15 minus 14. If this 14 will come here, so I think 4 and 36 will be there. and minus 5y minus 4y will be minus 9y. We'll go there. So positive 9y. So can we solve? Y, 9 can divide this. So y we are getting here, y is 4. And if y is 4, x is equals to 10 minus y. So what will be x? X will be 6, my dear. This is not answer. Come on. This is not answer. This is not answer. Don't be in such a hurry. This is not answer. The answer is find the numbers. Come on. Let me use another color. I am using here red color for you all. Find the number. And number was what? Let the 2-digit number. This is the number. So once you get the value x and y, now put these values here. So I'm doing here. So the number is 10x plus y. So 10 into, what is x there? X is 6. And what is y here? Y is 4. 10x plus y. So can we get the result? 60 plus 4. So the result is 64. This is the answer, my dear. This is the answer. I hope, yes, 64. Shahina, yes, my dear champions. 64 is the correct answer. 64, yes, Ashlesa, 64 is correct answer. Very good, everyone. Very good, everyone. The student who could not hit the like button yet, go and hit the like button. And the student who is new here, I welcome you everyone on Deeksha Vedantu. Go and subscribe the channel. Because till 17th February, you are going to get something quality content for your board exam of mathematics. So stay connected with me personally. Yes, sir, same answer. Very good, Nikhil. Shahina, very good. Hi, right. Deepak Kushwa, very good, Deepak. Your 17th February. We all are preparing for 17th February maths exam, my dear champions. I am repeating this again and again to make you aware. Don't waste your time. Isolate yourself. Don't do such fun and all. Please stop doing fun and all just for these days, 10 days, my dear. Maths, if maths is over, I think everything will be comfortable. And maths is your first exam. If you guys get depressed or get stressed in first exam, so other exam will be stressful. Trust me, it happens. This is human psychology, my dear. So please stay focused and try to do something good and relaxing, satisfied in mathematics, so that you guys can leave positive impact on your other exam as well. So that's why I'm requesting again and again. Yes, Aslesha. Moving to next question. Question number 12. Again, look at the question. This question is from draw the graph. Draw the graph of 2x plus y equals to 6 and 2x minus y equals to 2. This is from the PYQ 2007. This is, I remember, because we have already solved so many times, so we remember. So I remember this question is from PYQ 2007 question. Okay, so two equations are given to you. Shade the region bounded by these lines, x and x-axis. Find the area of the shaded region. Come on, find the area of shaded region. So again in this question, graph, what is there? Means what we have to do? We have to draw the graph. And you all know, to draw the graph, we have to get the solution first. Without solution, we cannot even think about the graph. Okay, I think everything. Yes, sir, you are right. Yes, sir, I'm nervous. Don't feel like this, my dear. Okay, so let's do the question. Who is this? Yes, sir. How to find two values easily in quadratic equation? My dear, quadratic formula is there, na? Magical formula. You can use quadratic formula, my dear champions. Don't think like this. Don't worry, I'm here. I'm here, my dear. I'm here. I hope you guys are there. Very good. Okay, should we proceed the solution? I want to see the name. Who? Last question, Denwar. Yes, Sakshi, you all deserve better, my dear. You all deserve better. Let me tell you, you all deserve better. Yes. Okay, let's do the question. So, sir, but quadratic formula is lengthy, right? So you can apply midpoint, middle term splitting method. You were not in my last live session. We covered all the complete quadratic equation one shot, and yeah, in arithmetic progression also. Go and You can watch my that previous live session, one shot video. I think everything will be cleared. Okay, let's do the question. Sir, how to identify that the shadow region will be triangle? Oh my dear, when you draw the straight line linear equation on graph, then you can identify. Without drawing the straight line, without showing the straight line on graph, you cannot identify, my dear. For this you have to draw the graph. So let's do. So the first equation is 2x plus y equals to 6. So what we need to do? Find out the solution, because we want to draw the graph, and to draw the graph we should have the solutions, my dear. So let's find out the solution first. So let's say this is x and this is y, and I have already told you so many times, if you want to draw the graph, always make sure to draw the graph on graph paper. Midpoint. You want short trick? Okay, don't worry. So let's do. Okay, so who is this? Shahina. Yes, Shahina, very good. Very good. So let's find out the solution. So to find out the solution, let's put x equals to 0. So if I put x equals to 0, this whole family will become 0. So y will be equal to 6. Now put x equals to 1. So if we put x equals to 1, 2 1s are 2. But if this question comes up in 3 mark, 4 mark, you have to show the solution also. Like at x equals to 0, 2 into 0 plus y equals to 6. So y will be equals to 6. Make sure to show the solution also. At x equals to 1, 2 into 1 plus y equals to 6. So y will be equal to 2 1 to 4 is there. And if x equals to 2, my dear, if I put x equals to 2, y will be equal to what? This 2 2 ja 4, 4 will go there, I think 2 is there. So 2 comma 2. I hope this is clear to you all. So whenever, if this question might come in 3 mark category and 4 mark category, don't worry. But it depends on marks, how we have to solve. Yes, area of shadow region 8 square. Wow, Aslesha is there, 8 square meter. Superb, my dear. Very good. So this is the solution, my dear. Is it clear? Now find out the solution of next equation, my dear. So we can put any value. Sahina, very good. Very good. Deepak, my class always, most of the time I used to come on at 5 p.m. in live class, my dear. So you all can join in live session, my dear. Okay, now second equation. Where is second equation? This is 2x minus y plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, now find out the solution. Okay, find out. At least 3 solution must be there. X, y. Now put x equals to 0. So if I put x equals to 0, y will be what? X is equals to 0, this is 0. So this whole family will become 0. 2 will go there, minus 2. So add 0, y will be 2. Now put x equals to 1. So if we put x equals to 1, 2 1s are 2. And 2 plus 2 will be 4. 4 will go there. So minus 4. So minus cancel. 4 will be there. So x equals to 1, y will be 4. Now if you put x equals to minus 1. So minus 1 will be minus 2. X equals to minus 1 means I can show you by solving here. X equals to minus 1. 2 into minus 1 plus 2 into minus 1, and minus y is already there. What happens? Minus y. Which technical problem is there? Just wait a little while, my dear. Just wait a little while. This is minus y, right? So this is minus y. Plus 2 equals to 0. So 2 into minus 2 will be minus 2. And this is 2 will cancel. So y we are getting 0. So at x equals to minus 1, this is 0. So we have solution. 8 square. The George is saying 8 square unit. 8 square unit. I am from Barabanki. Who is from Barabanki? Very good. Chalo. Okay, so next what we have to do? The next is this. So to give you clarity how to draw the graph, I have brought up here the graph paper also. So let's draw the line on graph paper. So let's take here, I think red color will be visible. Okay. Black color is there. Black will be most visible. Yeah, black is there. So my dear, let's draw. Let's say this is x-axis, right? And we can say on any line y-axis. this is y-axis. I hope this is clearly visible to you all. Now this is 1. We can take 2 box of 1 unit. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Similarly for 2 box 1 unit, -1, -2, -3. Similarly 2 box 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly this will be -1, -2, -3 and -4. Right? Now look at the first. So this is 0, 6, my dear. This is 0, 6. When x is 0, y is 6. Where is the point? When x is 0, y is 6. So this will be here and here. Okay. So when x is 0, y is 6. So somewhere here. This is the first point. Now when x is 1, y is 4. So when x is 1, y is 4. Here. Now when x is 2, y is 2. So when x is 2, y is 2, somewhere here. So this is the solution. Now we can join these 3 lines and you will be very amazed to see the result. I don't have a scale. Whenever you are joining the points, always make sure to use the scale, my dear. So this will be the point. This is the point. This is going something here. Now it's time to draw the graph of this line. When x is 0, y is 2. When x is 0, y is 2, here. We can also write the equation of this line. This is 2x plus y equals to 6. Okay. Now, and this is 3. Okay. Now, okay, so when x is 0, y is 4. When x is 0, y is 4. Sorry, when x is 1, we have put here 1. This is 1. 2 1 are 2. Yeah, this is 1, my dear. This is 1. This is 1, my dear. Okay, positive 1. So this is plus 1. Okay. When x is 1, y is 4. So when x is 1, my dear champion, when x is 1, y is 4. So when x is 1, 1, 1, y is 4. Wow! This point 1, 4 and 1, 4 both is in common. Common solution. So this is again here one more point. So this is here. Now the second, when x is -1, y is 0. When x is -1, this y is 0. So can we join these 3 lines? Yes, we can join this. So we can mention the equation also. This is 2x minus y plus 2 equal. Now if I ask you at which point both the lines are intersecting. So both the lines are intersecting here. This and this will give you the result, solution, common intersection. So this is what? This is 1 and this is 2. So 1, 2 is the solution, my dear champions. 1, 2 solution. This is the solution. So first question, bounded by the this line x, and find the area of the shaded region. We have to shade the region bounded by these lines and x-axis. So these lines and x-axis. So this is x-axis, my dear, and this is the line. This is the line. So this will be the bounded region. We can show by bonding this. We have to shade this figure. This line is participating, this line is participating, and x is participating. And we have to find out the area also. So area of triangle, we can call this A. Let's say this is B and this is C. So area of triangle ABC will be what, my dear? Half base into height. We know half base into height. So base is what? Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units are there. So 1 by 2, this is 4. Into height is what? This height. So from here, this is 4, my dear. So height is also 4. So 2 will cancel this. So 8 unit square we can write, and we can also write a square unit. You can write this answer in this form, or you can also write 8 unit square. 8 unit square answer. I hope everything is clear, my dear. Yes, write down in chat section. Yes, sir, everything is clear. Please just write down in chat section. Yes, sir, everything is clear. You all are there, my dear. I'm pretty much sure that you guys are practicing along with me also. Write down in chat section. Yes, sir, we have enjoyed. Show me your involvement. Give me some hearts. Give me thumbs up. Yes, sir. Clear, sir. Aslesha, very good. Show me your involvement. Come on, my dear, show me your involvement. Nikhil, very good, Nikhil. Salute. Show me your involvement. Clear, sir. Seema, thank you so much for giving me thumbs up. Clear, sir. Your involvement, your interaction encourages me a lot. Yes, my dear. Thank you, Tasbil. Thank you so much. Yeah, George, thank you. I don't know your real name. Very good. Thumbs up. Aslesha, thank you. Thank you so much. Clear? Yeah, vlog. Very good. Yes, Guruji. Very good. Moving to next question number 13. Look at the question number 13. Solve 2x plus 3y equals to 11, x minus 2y equals to minus 12 algebraically. Come on, my dear. Algebraically. And hence find the value of m if this is given to you. This is from CBSE 2019, my dear. So to find out m, my dear, to find out m, first we have to find out y and then x. And once we get x and y, we can find out m easily. If we got x and y, then m will be easily calculated. So first we have to focus on x and y. So how we can solve the question? Look at first equation. This is very easy equation. So this is 2x plus 3y equals to 11, and the second is x minus 2y equals to minus 12. So my dear champions, you guys are free to use substitution method, or you can also apply elimination method. But I'll be preferring elimination method. Yes, my dear, I'll be preferring elimination method, and I want to eliminate y family because y has already positive sign. Opposite sign. One is in positive form and other is in negative form. So by adding both, we don't require to subtract. If signs are already different, so you just need to add the equation. By adding, you can cancel the values. But to add, we have to multiply this equation by 2 and we have to multiply this equation by 3. Because when we'll be multiplying this equation by 2, this will be 3 to the 6. And if we multiply 3 this equation, 3 to the 6 will be there. Right? So now we add, so 2 to the 4 will be there. 4x plus 6y equals to 22, and this is 3x minus 6y equals to minus 36. Now we can add both the equations. So by adding, this has cancelled. 4x plus 3x will be 7x. And if we add 22 and minus 36, this is 22, this is minus 36. So 22 minus 36 will give you 14 will be there, but with negative sign. Why? Because in these two numbers, 36 is greater one and 36 is negative form. I hope you are getting my point. So 14 will be there. So can we cancel here? So x, we have x equals to minus 2. And if we put x equals to minus 2 in any equation, we can get y. So can we use this equation? Second one. So x minus 2y equals to 13 equals to minus 12 basically. This is x minus 2y equals to minus 12, my dear, minus 12, and we have x minus 2, so we can put minus 2 minus 2y equals to minus 12. Minus 2 will come here this side, so minus 2 plus 12, and minus 2y will go there, so it will become positive. Minus 2 plus this will be 10 equals to 2y, so we have y equals to 5. Now if you have y, you have x, you can find out m. So y is 5 equals to mx, m means minus 2m, plus this is 3. 3 will go there, so 5 minus 3 minus 2m. 5 minus 3 will be 2 equals to minus 2m. So m is equal to minus 1. Now let me check who answered correct. Will is there minus 1? Will is there minus 1? There is no one other than Wills. So minus 1 will be the correct answer. Yes. Only one. Very good. Minus 1 will be the correct answer. I hope you are getting my point. So I have added 2 this equation and 3 this equation, and by adding both the equation, I have multiplied this equation by 2, I have multiplied this equation by 3, and I have added both the equation. This is. Moving to next question number 14. For what value of k will the following linear equation system of equation will have no solution? CBSE 2024, very recent question. So my dear, you all know, for no solution, what is the condition? For no solution, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. This is the condition for no solution. Please, for no solution, this is the condition. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. This is the condition for no solution. So can we use this condition? So a1 is what? 3. 3 by a2 is what? 2k minus 1 equals to b1 is what? 1. b2 is what? k minus 1 equals to c1 is what? 1. And this is what? c2 is what? 2k plus 1. Let's check. So we can use these two. So cross multiplying this, so 3k minus 3 equals to 2k minus 1 into 1, 2k minus 1. So 2k will come here, so 3k minus 2k, and 3 will go there, so 3 will become positive. So 2k, 3k minus 2k will be k, and 3 minus 1 will be. Wow, the k, we got k, we have find, but verify, is this value is verifying this condition or not? So 1 by k plus 1, can we find the value? 1 by k, sorry, this is k minus 1, k minus 1. So 1 by k minus 1, what will be the value? K is 2, so 2 minus 1, this is 1 we are getting. Now this, find out this, 1 by 2k plus 1, can we verify? 1 by 2 into 2, 2 into 2 plus 1, so we are getting it 2 to the 4, yeah, 1 by 5. Wow, yes, this is, this, the value of this is 1 and the value of this is 1 by 5. So the condition is of course for no solution. And we can verify this also. 2 to the 4 minus 1, 3. 2 to the, this is, listen, 3 by 2k minus 1. What will be the result? 3 by 2 into 2 minus 1. So 3 by 3 equals to 1. So you can see here, this is equal to 1, this is equal to 1, but this is equal to 1 by 5. It means this is proving. So k is 2. Correct answer. Yes, k is 2. Moving to next question, question number 15. Question number 15 from the year 2024. Again, x and y, x equals to 1 and y equals to 2 is solution of this. So my dear champion, if x is solution of this and y is solution of, means both the values will be satisfied. So can we put here x equals to 1 and y equals to 2. These two values are the solution of the first equation, 2x minus 3y plus a equals to 0. So if these are the solutions of this equation, so it will be satisfying the equation. So 2 into x is 1 minus 3 into 2 plus a equals to 0. Can we solve? 2 1 are 2 minus 6 plus a equals to 0. 2 minus 6 will be minus 4 plus a equals to 0. 4 will go there. So a is equal to 4, my dear. Don't take tension. Don't take tension. Now find out b. So second is 2x. Second is what, my dear? 2x plus 3y minus b equals to 0. Now can we put the values? 2 into x is what? 1 plus 3 into 2 minus b equals to 0. So 2 1 are 2 plus 3 2 are 6 minus b equals to 0. 6 plus 2 will be 8, my dear. 8 will go there, or b will go there. So b will be equal to 8. So my dear, you can see a is 4 and b is 8. A is 4 and b is 8. I think this equation is satisfying. Can we write this equation as b equals to 2a? b is equals to 2a. Why? Because b is 8 and 2 into a is what? 4. So that this is satisfying. 8 equals to 8. So this is the correct answer. B equals to 2a. B equal, option number 2. I hope this is clear to you all. Magic. It's magic, my dear. It's magic. I hope everything is clear. I hope everything is clear. So moving to next. Just write down in chat section, my dear. Everything is clear. Your doubt is clear. If your doubt is clear, write down in chat section. Come on. Yes, sir, everything is clear. We all are enjoying. And the student who is new here, go and hit the subscribe button, my dear. Any doubt? Is there anyone who is having doubt? Tell me your name. Tell me your name. I'm giving you very magical solution. Come on. Clear, sir. Thank you so much, Aslesha. Very good, George. Thank you. Moving to the next chapter, polynomials. One shot of polynomials. So we have covered the whole pair of linear equation in two variable. Now it's time to go to polynomials, my dear. Polynomials. Let's begin polynomials. So before I start anything, we can take here a short break. A short break just of 5 minutes. 5 minutes break, my dear champions. Go and have some snacks and all. Drink water and come back in 5 minutes. Thank you so much, everyone. Yes, my champions, all class 10th warriors. Superb. Wow. Okay, so let's begin. So the break is over. Let's begin the session. Yes, Wells, ready? Sir, we are ready. Very good, yaar. Very good, yaar. So sweet of you. Okay, so let's begin. So again, one shot of polynomial I'm going to give you. So before switching to the questions, I will be explaining some theoretical part. So I'll be summarizing the chapter because your doubt will be cleared. If there may any student who is still having any kind of doubt in polynomials, so every doubt will be cleared, my dear. Just focus here. Okay, so what is polynomials? So my dear, just let me tell you what is polynomials. So polynomial is basically the algebraic expression of variables and constant. See my dear, what I'm writing here. The algebraic expression of variable and constant is called polynomial. There are so many polynomials. If I categorize according to number of terms, monomial, binomial, trinomial is there. According to power, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, biquadratic polynomial, we all know. So I'll be explaining you according to power, by the way. Okay, so polynomial is what? Algebraic expression of variable and constant. And polynomial are of three types, so many types, but I'm giving you explanation of three types. So first is linear polynomial. My dear champion, if we talk about linear polynomial, what does it mean by linear polynomial? It means that the degree will be 1. Now you are confused. So what is called degree? So degree is the highest power of the variable. So let me tell you, 3x plus 7 equals to 0. Now if I ask you what is variable here, variable is x. And what is the power of variable? The power of variable is 1. And the highest power 1, that is called degree. And if the degree is 1, the polynomial will be linear polynomial. And linear polynomial always give you a straight line. Always straight line, my dear, on graph. We have been discussing this linear polynomial, linear equation in two variables for last 1 and 2 hours. So that was all about. So linear polynomial is, this is linear polynomial in one variable. And if I mention y also, like this, 3x plus 2y. So it has become linear equation in two variable. Why? Because x and y are there. But still power is 1. Power is 1. And that's why this is linear polynomial. Are you getting my point? Now if I talk about quadratic polynomial. So my dear, quadratic polynomial is what, my dear? Quadratic polynomials means the degree will be 2. Again I have told you, degree means what, my dear? The highest power is called degree. Highest power of variable is called degree. The highest power of variable is called degree. Come on, the highest power of variable is called degree. So if I write here equation 3x square plus 4x minus 2 equals to 0. 3x square plus 4x minus 2 equals to 0. Now, which is variable? X is variable here. And what are the constant? These are the constant, and constant. But this constant is with x square, so this is called coefficient. If any constant is attached with any variable, this is called coefficient of x square. But this is constant. If we talk about 4 is what? constant term, but it has a special name which is called coefficient. Why it got special name? Because that constant is attached with a variable there. So this is called coefficient of x. And if I talk about this, so this is pure constant because no variable is there. Now if I ask you, my dear, what is the highest power of variable? The highest power of variable is 2. And that is why this is called quadratic polynomial. And similarly, if we talk about cubic polynomial, my dear champions, cubic polynomial. So in cubic polynomial, the highest power means degree is what? 3. Degree will be 3, and this will be the general format: ax cube plus bx square plus ex plus d equals to 0. This is the general format. I hope you are getting my point. Now one more thing. If we draw the quadratic polynomial on graph, the graph will be like this, or like this, or like this. Means there will be 2 intersection of points. Why? Because quadratic polynomial is there. So how many solution will be there? 2 solution will be there. 2 zeros will be there. 2 roots will be there. It means it will be intersecting at 2 points. So the graph is what, my dear? Parabolic. This is called parabolic graph. This curve is called parabolic. But if we talk about linear, so the graph will be what? A straight line, my dear. I hope you are getting my point. I hope you are getting my point. This is all about. Now, moving to the next point, zeros of, one more thing I want to tell you, my dear. If we talk about the power, x to power 1, x to power 3, power, it can't be fractional. Power can't be fractional. If the power of any variable is fractional, it means that is not polynomial. It can't be fractional. This is very important point. And second point, it can't be negative. The power can't be negative. If these 2 conditions are coming in front of you, it means that is not polynomial. Means if I ask you under root x plus 7 equals to 0, is it polynomial? No, this is not polynomial. Because if we remove the root of variable, the power will be half. And power will be half, it means that this is not polynomial. Power cannot be fractional. Now if I ask you 1 by y square plus 7x plus equal to 0, is this polynomial? No, because 1 by y square is there. If we take y square in numerator, so the power will become negative. We can write this equation as y to power minus 2 plus 7x equals to 0. Now the power is negative. And if power is negative, it is not polynomial. So it cannot be polynomial. So the conditions to become a polynomial, the condition is that power can't be fractional. Power can't be negative. Power will always be whole number. Power will always be whole number. Please. Power will always be whole number. Whole number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 crore, 1 lakh, whatever. But the power will be whole number. Yes, my dear, parabola. Is it clear? So this is all about zeros of polynomial. What does it mean by zeros of polynomial? So let me tell you. Zeros of polynomial means what? If I write 2x minus 3 equals to 0, my dear. So what is called zeros? Zeros means the value of x. The value of x which satisfy the equation. Means the value of that value of x, by putting that value, this equation will become equal to 0. So if I put here this 3 by 2, come on, just imagine 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 means 2 cancel here, 3 minus 3, wow. So right side and left side both has become equal to 0. So this 3 by 2 is called zeros. The x equal to 3 by 2 is called zeros. Means the value of variable which satisfy the equation. Which by putting that value, if the equation has become equal to 0, that is called zeros. That is the reason why this is called zeros. If I ask you x minus 7 equals to 0, so which value can make this equation 0? What value of x? So x only 7 can make equals to 0. There is only one solution. Only 7 can make this 0. And the power is 1. And if the power is 1, means linear solution. That is the reason why only 1 zeros will be there. So for linear solution, how many zeros are there? Only 1. Why? Because the power, highest power is 1. But if we talk about quadratic, like x square minus 4 equals to 0, if I ask you what should be the value of x so that this equation can become equal to 0. So if we put here 2 is square minus 4, so 4 minus 4 will be 0. Now if I put minus 2, so minus 2 is square. First I have put it here x equals to 2, now I am putting minus 2. So minus 2 square will be 4, minus 2 square will become positive 4, minus 4. Again we are getting 0. So how many values? So x is equal to plus 2 and x equals to minus 2. Both are satisfying this equation. So how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. And why 2 zeros are here? Because the highest power is 2. So if the highest power is 2, how many zeros will be there? 2 zeros. So my dear champion, the number of zeros are decided by the highest power. If highest power are 3, how many zeros will be there? 3 zeros will be there. So in cubic polynomial, 3 zeros are there. In quadratic polynomial, 2 zeros are there. In linear equation, linear polynomial, 1 zeros are there. I hope this is clear to everyone. Just give me reply in chat section. Yes sir, this is clear to us. So in linear, only 1 0. Why only 1 0? Because the highest power is 1. Here 2 zeros. Why 2 zeros? Because the highest power is 2. I hope you are getting my solution. Yes, values that satisfy. Just write down in chat section. Yes sir, this is clear. So how many values will be there for quadratic polynomial? 2 zeros will be there. I hope this is clear to you. So let me give you the information here, my dear. So we'll be talking about only quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Okay, quadratic polynomial, because mostly from polynomial chapter quadratic polynomial question comes up. Yes sir, clear. Very good. Yes sir, clear. Superb my dear. Superb my dear. Very good. Thank you. So we are going to discuss quadratic polynomial. So for quadratic polynomial, this is the general form: ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is the general form of quadratic polynomial. Here a cannot be 0. Why a cannot be 0? If a will become 0, so 0 into x square, this whole family will become 0. And if this whole family will become 0, so this equation will look like bx plus c, and this is linear equation. So a cannot be equal to 0. I hope you are getting my point. So for quadratic polynomial, the presence of x square is important. X square must be there. If x square is not there, we cannot say the equation of quadratic polynomial or not. We cannot say the equation is quadratic polynomial or not. So for quadratic polynomial, x square family must be there. And if x square family must be there, so a cannot be equal to 0. I hope you are getting my point. If x will become 0, this whole family will become 0. So the equation will become linear. Right? Okay. Now, let alpha and beta are the zeros, my dear. So if alpha and beta are the 0, I'm supposing alpha and beta are zeros. So my dear, alpha plus beta means sum of roots is equal to minus b by a. And this is minus b is what? Minus b is what? Coefficient of x. So we can also write here minus, this is coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Please keep this formula in mind, very important. Most frequently CBSE is asking the question in this formula. And the product of root means zeros is equal to c by a. And c is what? Pure constant. So c by a means pure constant divided by what, my dear? Coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. This is the very important formula. In quadratic polynomial, this relation comes up. A plus b, alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a, and alpha into beta is, in general, let alpha and beta be the, yes, of course, Seema, yeah. So I hope this is clear to you all. Now, my dear champion, listen. If quadratic polynomial is in this form, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, my dear. Now divide this whole equation from b square both side. Divide this equation by b. So if we divide this equation by b, my dear, by a, my dear, so ax square divided by a plus b by ax. I have divided this whole equation by a. So we can write in this format x square by a. So a cancel. So we got here x square plus b by a into x plus c by a equals to 0. Now, my dear champions, can we write this equation as x square minus, I am taking minus sign. So if we are there, here is plus. But if you are taking minus, it means b by a must be in minus form. So that minus will be plus. Is it clear? Into x plus c by a equals to 0. And now you can see minus b by a is what? Sum of roots. Sum of zeros. So we can write here x square minus, this is basically sum of zeros, minus b by equals to sum of zeros into x plus c by a. C by a is what, my dear? Alpha into beta, means product of zeros. This is product of zeros. Now you might be thinking, sir, why you are teaching these things? Let me tell you why I am teaching this thing. So we can also write this formula x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equals to 0. Now let me give you the importance of this. My dear champion, if I ask you one question like find out the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 1 and minus 2. Find out the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 1 and minus 2. Find out that quadratic polynomial whose zeros are given. So we can use this formula. So we can find out the quadratic polynomial x square minus, this is alpha plus beta. So 1 plus minus 2. So when you will be adding minus 2 plus 1 into x, and this is 1 into minus 2, product of zeros. So we can directly get the result. Minus 2 plus 1 will be minus 1, and minus plus x square plus x, and 2 1s are 2. Wow, this is the answer. So if you know the zeros, we can find out the roots, and if you know the directly sum of the zeros and product of zeros, then you can find out the values, my dear. I hope this is clear to you all. Very powerful. Write down in chat section, yes sir, this is clear. Yes, this is clear, sir. So this is very important formula, x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta equals to 0. By using this formula, we guys can identify, we can find out the quadratic polynomial if zeros are given. Write down in chat section, yes sir, everything is clear. Okay, now moving to questions. My dear. Clear, sir, thank you so much. Cubic polynomial is not in syllabus, my dear. Wills, I can teach you very easy. But cubic polynomial is not in syllabus this year. So why? I think there is no mean to waste energy, I think, on that. This is very crucial time. You have only 10 days. So instead of focusing on baseless thing, I think you should invest your energy on the relevant topic. Very good. Now moving to question. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, okay, my dear, listen, my dear, very important question. So if quadratic polynomial is x square plus x minus 2, this is the quadratic polynomial, and alpha and beta are the zeros. So if alpha and beta are the zeros, so the sum of zeros will be what, my dear? We know minus b by a. And where here is b is 1, a is 1. So minus 1 by 1 is equals to minus 1. I hope this is clear. And the product of zeros, alpha into beta will be what? C by a. Alpha into beta is c by a, and c is what? Minus 2. Minus 2, a is what? 1. So minus 2 by 1 will be minus 2. So we have alpha plus beta, which is equal to minus 1, and we have alpha into beta, which is equal to minus 2. But we want to find out the value of this. How we can find out the value of that? So whenever such question comes up in front of you, my dear, so always try to convert this format in the terms of sum of zeros and product of zeros, because you have only sum of zeros and product of zeros value. So what we can do, let me do the first question for you. So my dear, the first question for you, this is alpha by beta plus this is beta by alpha. Can we take LCM, my dear? So by taking LCM, this will be alpha beta. Wow, it has become product of 0. It looks that we are approaching to the target, and alpha will go there, so this is alpha square, and beta will go there, this is beta square. We don't know the value of this, but my dear, if we do alpha plus beta square, if we open alpha plus beta square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, and we want to find out the value of this, so can we shift this whole family here, this side? Yes, my dear. So this is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, that will be equal to alpha square plus beta square. We want the value of this, and this whole family is equal to this. Wow, equal to this. Look, sum of zeros minus 2 into alpha beta, which is product of zeros. So we can replace this by alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 in alpha beta. We can find directly value here. So alpha plus beta is what? Minus 1. So minus 1 whole square minus 2 into alpha beta. Alpha beta is minus 2. This is minus 2. This is minus 2, my dear. Okay. So 1 minus 1 square will be 1. Minus 2 minus 2 will be 4. So 4 plus 1 will be 5. So alpha square plus beta square, this is equal to, my dear, 5. Wow. Alpha square plus beta equal to 5. Now we can put the value there. So this is 5. And alpha into beta is minus 2. Wow, minus 2. So we have value. The answer is minus 5 by 2. Answer. I hope this is clear to you. Now moving to second question. Look at the second question. Second question is 1 by alpha minus 1 by beta. Come on, focus here, please, my dear. 1 by alpha minus 1 by beta. This is PYQ, my dear. So alpha beta, the LCM will be again alpha beta, and this will go beta, and this is minus alpha. Beta minus alpha. Beta minus alpha. Now how we can find out the beta minus alpha? Okay, don't worry, I am here, my dear. So my dear champions, if I ask you beta minus alpha, now squaring both sides, if we square both sides, so beta minus alpha square will be what? Beta square plus alpha square minus 2 alpha beta. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Now my dear champions, beta minus alpha whole square. Now can you find out the value of this alpha square plus beta square? Wow, this is already we have calculated 5. So we can put there 5 minus 2 into alpha beta. Alpha beta is product of zeros, and we have product of zeros minus 2. So we can put here minus 2. Is it clear? So beta minus alpha whole square will be 5 minus plus 2 to the 4. 4 plus 5 equals to 9. So we can write here beta minus alpha. After removing the square, under root will be there at the right side, and this is what? 5 plus 4, 9. So we have beta minus alpha equals to 3, plus minus 3 basically, but we will give priority to the positive sign only. Okay, so beta minus alpha we have 3, and alpha into beta we have minus 2. So 3 by 2 in negative form is the answer. This is the first answer, this is the second answer. Very quality question. Who is writing 9 here? Sir, answer is 9. Where? Which question? Which question you are talking about, my dear? The first answer is 5 by 2, 9 by 2. How you are getting 9 by 2, my dear champion? Oh, you are not taking under root. Under root 9 is there. We want the value of beta minus alpha. So by taking under root 3 will be there. So minus 3 by 2. Go and rectify the answer. Okay, no, Rohan, I think you are making some mistake there. Go and do again. Try it again, my dear. Okay, moving to the next question. I have brought up very quality questions, trust me. Alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. This, find the value of y if 3 alpha plus 2 beta is 20. Wow. If 3 alpha plus 2 beta is 20, how we can solve this question? How we can solve this question? I hope this is clear to you. If this is clear to you, show me your presence, send me some heart, send me thumbs up. You all are there, my dear. You all are there. Send me some heart, my dear. Yes. So my dear, look. Okay, this condition is given to you. Okay, and we have to find out the value of y. Don't worry. So if equation is given to you and alpha and beta are the zeros of quadratic polynomial, come on my dear, if alpha and beta are the zeros, so alpha plus beta will be what my dear? Minus b by a. And here minus b is what? Minus, and b is already in negative form, so minus 6 will be there, and a, here is a is nothing, means 1 is there, so alpha plus beta is equal to 6. This is your first equation, don't worry. Now alpha into beta is what my dear? C by a. So C by alpha into beta, where is alpha? Where is C? Alpha into beta, where is C my dear? C is y. Divided by where is 1? So alpha into beta is equal to what my dear? This is y. So this is second equation. I hope there is no problem till here. There is no any problem till here. Now what to do next? Yes my dear, just show me your presence my dear, show me your presence. Yes sir, Sakshi, very good. Now what to do next my dear? What to do next? I want to see the answer from you all. If alpha plus beta is 6, alpha into beta is y, and 3 alpha plus 2 beta equals to 20 given to you, how we can solve this question? How we can solve this question? Very easy. If I tell you, there is nothing my dear. If 3 alpha plus 2 beta, 3 alpha plus 2 beta equals to 20. Right, and alpha plus beta equals to 6. We have one more equation. Come on my dear. Apply any elimination method or substitution method. Yes my dear, you can apply any method. So I will follow elimination method. So I am going to eliminate alpha. So 3 alpha is already there, so I am multiplying this by 1 and I am multiplying this equation by 3. Why? Because I want to make 3 alpha. Now we can multiply, subtract, so 3 alpha plus 2 beta is equals to 20. After multiplying 3, this will be 3 alpha plus 3 into beta will be 3 beta, and 3 into this will be 18. Can we solve this? Subtract. So on subtracting, 3 alpha cancel, and 2 beta minus 3 beta will be minus beta, and 20 minus 18 will be 2. So beta will be minus 2. We have beta minus 2. And once we get beta, so we can find out alpha. So alpha will be what? Alpha plus beta is 6 my dear. So after putting beta here, so alpha will be 6 minus beta. Right, so alpha will be 6 minus, beta is minus 2. So this is already minus 2. So alpha will be 8. And you have alpha, you have beta. So can we find out what? Y. So y equals to alpha beta. So y equals to alpha is what? 8. Beta is what? Minus 2. Alpha. So y is equal to minus 16. Answer my dear. I want to answer. Who is giving me the answer? Yes my dear. 8 and minus 2 will be there of course. But we want the value of alpha here. Aditi. Very good Aditi. Minus 16. Superb. George, very good. Sir, easy. Sir, why? Very good. Elimination method. Very good, Shakshi. Very good. Superb. You all are awesome. Superb, my dear champions. Okay. Very good. Moving to next question. Question number 2. Look at the question. If alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, this with condition a minus b equals to 2, then what will be the value of p? Come on my dear. You all know na, alpha plus beta is minus b by a, so this will be minus p, because b is p, and alpha into beta is c by a. C is what? 12, and by 1, so 12 will be there. And alpha minus b, a minus b equals to 1 given to you, right? And here A and B are the zeros, so we don't need to write alpha and beta because A and B are the zeros, right? So what we have to write here, A plus B, A into B, because A and B are the zeros. I hope you know everything. Now use this identity. Yes, my dear, use that identity. A minus B whole square can be written this. So A minus B whole square is equal to A plus B whole square minus 4AB. Wow! And A minus B, where is A minus B? 1 is given to you. So 1 square. A plus B, where is A plus B? A plus B is minus P. This is minus P whole square. Minus 4 into AB, where is AB? AB is 12. So 1 square will be 1, P square will be P square, and 12 4 ja 48. So 48 will go there. So 49 has become this. 49 is equal to P square. If we remove the square of P, under root 49 will be there. And we all know under root 49 means plus minus 7, because both will satisfy this. So P will be equal to plus minus 7 answer. Any option is there? Any option is there? Any option is there? Yes. Any option is there? Yes. 7 or minus 7. Is it possible to score 100 in maths? Yeah, people are scoring, my dear toppers. How the toppers producing every year? They are also scoring upon marks, my dear. Yes, you can also score 100 marks. Why not, my dear? Why you are judging yourself? Yes, this is possible. Trust me, this is possible. For this, you have to connect it with me. You will have to continue, come in my live session. Trust me. So plus minus 7 will be the answer. Moving to next question number 3. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, very good. This is the polynomial x square minus x plus, right? And we have to find out this 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. So what we have to do, if this question comes up, always convert the format in the terms of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. So this is alpha into beta. Beta will go there. So beta plus alpha will be there. And we have this sum of roots and this is product of roots. So there is nothing special. Sum of roots will be minus b by a. And here minus b is what? 1 is already negative. So 1 by 1 will be 1. Now if I talk about alpha into beta, c by a. C is 1. 1 by 1. This is c by a. C is 1 by 1, which is equal to 1. So we can put the values here, no? The alpha plus beta is what? 1. And alpha into beta is 1. So 1 by 1 is equal to 1 answer. Option number A. Option number A. Moving to next question, question number 4. If sum and product of the quadratic polynomial are alpha and 1 minus alpha minus 1 by alpha, then what will be the quadratic polynomial? Wow, very good question. See, my dear, this sum is given to you, not roots. Sum is directly given to you. This is sum, alpha. And product is given to you. This is the product. And we have to find out the quadratic polynomial. Just few minutes ago, I have given you a formula, x square minus sum of roots, or we can say sum of zeros, into x plus product of roots. Better to say zeros because we are discussing here polynomial. So generally root terms used in quadratic equation, so best. So in polynomial we can use zeros. Okay, so this is all about. So my dear, sum is, roots are not given to you. Sum is directly given to you. And sum is what? Alpha. So x square minus alpha, we can put here, we can replace this by alpha. Alpha x plus product of roots, and the product is already given to you. What? Minus 1 by alpha. This is the result, my dear. You can keep this as it is, or you can take LCM also, my dear. By taking LCM, it has become alpha x square minus alpha square x minus 1 equals to 0. By taking LCM, the alpha will leave impact here. Alpha will go here, minus alpha square, and minus 1 equals to 0. So we can check here which option will be correct. Which option will be correct? No option. Alpha x square, alpha minus 1. So alpha x square, this alpha x square, alpha into alpha minus alpha x, and if alpha multiply here, alpha cancel, -1. Option number B is correct. Option number B correct. I hope you got the concept, you have understood the question. Just write down, sir, they told only quadratic polynomial, so y is equal to 0. Where, my dear? B, someone is saying, yeah, B is correct. Not D, my dear, not D, B is correct. Because look, my dear, plus minus will be there. So minus sign is compulsory. It cannot be answered because here is positive. It cannot be answered, and here is positive, it cannot be answered. So answer will be only from A and B. The correct answer is B. Moving to next question, question number 5. Okay. What rubbish is going on, bro? If you are tiring to just having on your bed, so why you are coming in my live session? Come on, my dear, stay positive. Okay, superb. Okay, question number 5. Which of the following is a quadratic polynomial having zeros -2/3 and 2/3? My dear, we have to find out the quadratic polynomial if zeros are given to you. So we have this formula, x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. Use this formula. So x square minus sum of zeros means add these two numbers, -2/3 plus 2/3 into x plus product of zeros. Now multiply 2/3 and this equals to 0. Now to plus 2/3 minus 2/3 cancelled, plus 2/3 minus 2/3 cancelled, means 0 is there, and 0 into x will be 0. So x square minus plus minus 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9 equals to 0. Now can we take LCM here? So if we take LCM, we don't require to take LCM. Now we can take LCM. So if we take LCM, what we are getting here? So after taking the LCM, the result will be 9x square minus 4 equals to 0, because 9 will go there and 9 will multiply 0. So this is the answer. Now look at the result here. This 4, 9 will cancel, 4x square, no, this it cannot be answer. 5, no, it cannot be answer. X square plus 9/4, no, it cannot be answer. The question is -2/3 and 2/3. So -3 and 2/3, x will be removed, and this is 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4 minus 2/3, and this is 3 into 3, no option is there. So the answer will be x square, we can change here, option should be there. So this is 4x square minus 9, no, it cannot be answer. It will cancel 4x square plus no. So the option we can make changes, this option might be the correct. So x square minus, we can write 4/9. So it has removed. I think question has been changed basically. I think question has changed. If we take here 3/2 minus, and this is also 3/2. Now this answer will be exactly matched up, because 3 3s are 9 and this, and sign will be there, so we can check it again. Okay, now yes my dear, now try to do this question. Which option will be correct? If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial px, this, and alpha plus beta is alpha beta. Very easy question. If alpha plus beta is equal to alpha beta, my dear, so alpha plus beta is what? Minus b/a, and alpha into beta is what? c/a. Now minus b is what? -3. So b is already -3, and a is what? A is k. So this is k here. C, where is c? C is 45k. This whole is c, 45k divided by a. A is what? K, my dear. So k will cancel here. So can we cross multiply? So this is k 45, k into 45 will be equal to what, my dear? You can see here 45k will be equal to 45k will be equal to minus minus plus, and this is 30, my dear. So k will be equal to 30 by 45 in 15, 15 2 ja 30 and 15 3 ja. So k is equal to 2 by 3. 15 2 ja 30 and 15 3 ja 45. So 2 by 3 is the correct answer. Option number D. Option number D is correct. Moving to next question. Yes, yeah, very good everyone. Come on, my dear. Hello, sir. Hi, everyone. Yeah, there might be some mistake in the question, but I have changed the option. Come on, my dear. I have changed the option of that question, previous one, my dear. So that is not a big issue, my dear. That is not a big issue. The condition is, are you getting these question or not? This is the condition. Now moving to next question number 7. Look at the question number 7. What should be added from the polynomial to the polynomial, basically? What should be added to the polynomial, this, so that 3 is the zeros of the resulting polynomial? Come on, my dear. The polynomial is x square minus 5x plus 4 equals to 0. What should be added to this polynomial so that the 3 is the zeros of resulting one? 3. So first put it 3 here. If we find out here, look at the question. What should be added? What should be added to the polynomial x square minus 5x plus 4 so that 3 is the zeros of this resulting polynomial? Very important question. Which option will be correct? I want to see the answer from you all. Yes, my dear. Option number B. Anurag is writing option number B. Yes. Yeah, next class I'll be coming out with hopefully trigonometry. Let's see. I'm working on that. But by the way, you should stay connected with the channel, because the update, we generally publish the update before the class, 2 days before, 3 days before. Okay. Can you find out what should be added to the polynomial, this, so that 3 is the zeros of this resulting polynomial? So my dear, listen, if we put 3 here, x square minus 5x plus 4, if we put 3 here, what we are getting here? If we put 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 4, 3 3 ja 9 will there, 5 3 ja 15 will be there, and this is 4. 9 plus 4 will be what? 13 minus 15. So minus 2 is there. 0 is not coming. Minus 2 is there. So in minus 2, what should be added so that the result will become 0? So in minus 2, only 2 can be added. So because minus 2 plus 2 will be 0. So what should be added? 2 will be added. Option number 2 correct. Who answered correct? Very good. The student who answered B, all the very best. Moving to next question. The number of zeros of the polynomial, I have already told you, the polynomial intersection point will decide the number of solution. So how many intersection point? 1, 2, 3. So how many zeros will be there? 3 zeros will be there. The point of intersection of polynomial, 1, 2, 3, x-axis, because generally you will get the polynomial in terms of x. So we'll already always consider x-axis only. Moving to next question number 9. Question number 9, my dear champions. Question number 9. Anurag, why you are writing 4? Only 3. Sorry, yeah, 4 is there. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 4 is there. Sorry. My mistake. Come on, my mistake. Yeah, I forgot to see this point as well. Yes, of course, my dear, 4. Because this is also here. I missed to see this. 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. Yes, of course, 4 is there. I apologize. Moving to next question, question number 9. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficient. Yes, Anurag, 4 is there. Don't worry, 4 is there. Rohan, 4 is there. Yeah. Very good. Yes, Ashlesha, 4 is there. I forgot to see this point. This point is also there. I just used to see this point only. Okay. Now find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. This first find out the zeros, and we have to verify the relationship between zeros and coefficient. Don't worry. 5x square minus 4 minus 8x equals to 0. So first look at the quadratic equation. This is it. This is not in general form, my dear. This is not in general form. Hi everyone. Yeah. Who is asking this question? Hi everyone. Okay, now look at this equation. We all know the general form of quadratic equation is this. The pure constant should be at the end, at the last, but pure constant here is at the middle. So we have to shift, we have to arrange this equation in this form. I hope you are understanding my point. This is the quadratic equation. Now find out the zeros. So can we find out the zeros? 5 4 are 20. For 20 we need two values whose multiplication will be 20 and subtraction will be 8. 10 and 2 will be there. So we can use here middle term splitting method. 8 can be written as 10 minus 2. So 5x square minus 10x minus plus 2x minus 4 equals to 0. So can we take 5x common here? So 5x. So we are getting x minus 2. Can we take here 2 common? So x minus 2 equals to 0. So we have two equations, 5x plus 2, and one more equation, x minus 2 equals to 0. So by taking this bracket equals to 0, x will be minus 2 by 5. First zeros, and on taking this bracket 0, x we are getting 2. So we have two zeros this. Now we have to verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. So let me tell you, my dear, sum of zeros is basically equals to minus b by a. Come on, verify this. So sum of zeros means we have to add these two. So minus 2 by 5 plus what, my dear? 2, and 2 can be written as 2 by 1 is equal to minus, where is b? Where is b? B is this. This is b, my dear. This is b. This is a, and this is c. Right, this is a. This is b, this is c. So minus b by a means minus 8 and a by 5. So let's do, can we take LCM here? So 5 will be 5 here, and minus 2, 5 plus 2 will be 5 to 10 will be there, and this is minus plus 8 by 5, and minus 2 plus 10, wow, 8 by 5 equals to 8 by 5, hence verified. Hence verified. We can write here, hence verified. Hence verified. We can also verify by using product of zeros term. Product of zeros. So if we use this formula, product of zeros, so product of zeros is c by a. If we multiply these two, minus 2 by 5 into 2 is equal to product of 0 c by a. Where is c? C is minus 4. And where is a? A is plus 5. Okay, 2 2 ja 4, minus 4 by 5, and right side is also minus, this is minus 4 by 5, hence verified again. So product of zeros is also verified, and sum of zeros is also verified. I hope, yes, very good Nikhil, superb Nikhil, very good Nikhil, superb. The ego high, guys, please focus on question, hence verified. Moving to 10th question. Look at the question. This question is from the year 2024. Code number is, set number is 30/4/1. This code was there. Okay. So if alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, what will be the value of this? Come on. What will be the value of alpha to power 4 beta square plus alpha square beta to power 4? We have to find out the value of this. Look at the question. Yes, my dear, who is this? To find product in quadratic. Yeah. Yes, my dear. Yes, come on. So we have to find out the value of this. So what you need to do? Take common. Take common. So which is coming? What is common here? Alpha square and beta square, which is common in both. So we have taken alpha square, beta square common. So this is alpha to power 4. So only alpha square will be left. And plus here we have taken alpha square and beta square. So here only beta square will be left. So basically this is alpha into beta whole square, because alpha square beta square can also be written as alpha beta square, and this is into alpha square plus beta square. So this is product of zeros. We know the product of zeros. We can find out product of zeros, but this is challenging. So we have to find out alpha square plus beta square, and alpha square plus beta square is nothing. Let me give you a solution here. This is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. This is the formula. Alpha square plus beta square can also be written this. How? Let me prove you. Alpha square plus beta square will be a square plus b square plus 2ab. And to eliminate this, I have already taken minus 2 alpha beta. This will cancel. That's why this formula is valid. Is it clear? So alpha square plus beta square we can determine by putting the value of alpha plus beta, which is sum of zeros, and sum of zeros is what? Minus b by a. Minus b means b is minus 4, so b will be plus. And a is what? A is what? X square coefficient, that is 1. So alpha plus beta is 4. Alpha into beta is c by a. C is what? 3. 3 by 1, which is 3. Now we can put the values. So alpha plus beta whole square, alpha beta is 4. So this is 4 square, my dear. 4 square will be there, minus 2 into alpha beta, and we know alpha beta is 3 here, so this is 3. So 4 square will be 16 minus 6, this is equal to 10, my dear. Now we can put the values. So alpha into beta is 3 square, and alpha square plus beta square just, so 3 square is 9, 9 into 10 is equal to 90, answer. 90 is the, sir, 90, Aslesha is correct there, very good. And who answered? Who else answered 90 here? Aslesha is there, Anurag is there. Very good. Very good. Now. Exact. Okay. Yes. 90 is correct answer, I hope. Very good. Super, my dear champions. Moving to next question, question number 11. So, this question we have already discussed. So, same question is repeated. This is the answer, using that identity. So this is all about polynomial. Polynomial is very easy question, and this question is repeated again and again. These questions repeating, alpha square plus beta square, 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, 1 by, these are repeating again and again. Look, we have discussed everything, my dear. So thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope you all are doing. Sir, one doubt is there. So my dear champion, listen, I'll be coming out tomorrow, hopefully, or day after tomorrow, again with another live session. And till 16 February, don't worry, till 13 and 14 February, I'll be coming your entire syllabus of maths, doing one shot revision and doing questions. So stay connected with this channel, because I am dedicatedly working for your maths specially, and your maths exam will be blunder, trust me, my dear. So stay connected. Take care of yourself, take care of your parents as well. Follow your parents' words, follow your parents' instructions, and yes, recognize your inner potential. You all can do a revolution in your result, my dear. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, everyone. Bye-bye.